Okay, so for the ARV token, if it is possible, get it on the spot market. Get it on the spot market, because if that happens, a lot of tokens will be pumping. Okay, though this may not give you what, maybe like 200%, 300%, but depending. All right, if you put $1,000 and this move by 20%, guys, that is $200, and you can take your $1,000 and use the $200 for other business, for to start trading again and all of that. Okay, a lot of tokens. Then BSV too. I don't know. Okay. I don't know. From what I'm looking at, using my Fibonacci retracement tool, okay, this rejection at the 50% level, but I'll wait to see if this can come down to that, golden pocket level. Let me look at higher time frame for that, guys. Okay, the golden pocket level is what I'm looking at. If this can deviate down to that area, then we could start looking at taking a trade to the upside. But that 50% level, if it holds strong, guys, it could equally be another area to take a trade to the upside. Okay, it could be another area to take a trade to the upside. So let's look at that 10,000 ladies, right? So 10,000 ladies, I see, more opportunity to the upside. Yeah, this is what I was looking at yesterday. Okay, so this is what I was looking at yesterday. We actually broke out of that triangle, and I don't know how far this will go. So I was waiting for a pullback, actually. I was waiting. I'm actually waiting. I'm still waiting. So what I did this morning was just to scalp, right? I just, took some trade. I entered at this area here, that is 0.049. And then it went up, took some profit. It came back down again. I re-entered and then went up. And then I decided to close. But you see that we actually went up to 46 cents. And then right now we are trading around this area. So I'm waiting if we can get a pullback, maybe anything around that 40 cent level or down there to around 37. Okay, it could be a good area to start taking trades to the upside too. So the 10,000 ladies, I'm still waiting for this to, I don't know. This is what I missed. Okay, this pumped to 46, and yeah, so we started descending back again. The pullback will be, if I can get this even back down to that 200 moving average. Okay, if I get it to that 200 moving average, so maybe as this is coming down, this 200 will move, and then they will, have a meet up here, right? So if there is a kiss between the 200 and the candlesticks around this area of 37, that could equally be a good area to start taking trades to the upside. All right, that could equally be a good area for the 10,000 ladies. So let's see what will happen with this token, guys. Okay, let's see what will happen with this token. Big time is not working the way we want it, guys. All right, though it just came, but it has not triggered my trade yet. Let me check. It hasn't triggered my entry. The entry is still down. No, it did not trigger. It did not trigger. It just rejected and went back up again. So I keep missing this trade. I don't know why. Keep missing the big time stuff. Okay, so which other token again was I looking at? So guys, whatever token you want us to look at, okay, just let me know in the chat, then we can go ahead and look at that together, guys. Any token at all you want us to look at, just let me know in the chat. Yes, the 10,000, yeah, Prince Vincent, flow key. Okay, let's look at the flow key token and see. I've not even paid attention to that stuff. I've been seeing it, but I don't know. I've not traded it, so I don't know what's. Let's see what's going on with that token. I think it's 1,000 to flow key or whatever the name is. It's 1,000. So let me add 1,000 to read. Then we can take it off from there, guys. This token is still good. I don't know how far this will go, but we should be looking for long for this token, guys. Okay, so 10,000 lady stuff. Okay, I think this is on my watch list, right? So let's pay attention to this token, guys. So that, yeah, it's there already. So let me look at this. Let me do 15 minutes. Okay, guys, our entry would have been at the touch of this moving average, but we already shoot up. Okay, so let's see if we can get another retest. Okay, I'm going to specifically stick to this moving average because the more we continue to trend up, the more the stock will continue to go. Okay, because if I look at the daily candle, yeah, though we're having that pullback, but looking at something like this, okay, something all these weeks that are shooting up this way, things like that could happen, all right? So look for more of long setup than, taking maybe very soon, this could push up and then we'll have that dead cross, the 50 moving average crossing over the 200 and all of that. But on the 15 minutes, okay, the pullbacks to those moving averages are what we want to take advantage of. If you get a pullback down to the 200, fine. But if not, whenever it comes and touches this thing and then go back up, this would have been a good entry, guys. This would have been a good entry. I wouldn't want us to rush into this. We can still enter this trade and still make some profit, guys. Okay. We can still enter and still make some profit. Let's say we are targeting that high there, yeah, 5% move. We can still enter and take and make some profit. But I want to see it come back again to that to the 50 moving average, and then that could be a good area to start taking trades. Okay, so this token should be on our watch list. We'll pay attention to that too. All right, we'll pay attention to that too. I just hope that this Bitcoin ETF stuff everything is true, and then we can go ahead and make some money. Okay, for all of the tokens we bought, and stuff like that, for those of you who have been buying. And guys, the only trade that made me money yesterday was Gala. I don't know how many of you took advantage of Gala. I don't know how many of you held on to Gala, but Gala was the only trade I made money yesterday on. When I said I was satisfied with Gala, I was actually. Okay, this was what we were looking at, right? For those of you who were holding on to your trade, yeah, this would have, hit your full TP at that 382 level. And then I equally said we should look at, but I didn't pay attention to this rejection that happened here, right? This rejection that happened here, I didn't pay attention to that. And that just at the 382, right? So if you had that at that 382, that would have equally given you like 7% move. And now we are coming back to the 382 again. So for as long as we continue to hold this 382, it could be, an opportunity to start taking trades to the upside. Okay. But let's see, if I do get a rejection at that 200, guys, it could be another opportunity to take Gala up. Okay, it could be another opportunity to take Gala up. Okay, yeah, it could be another opportunity to take Gala up. I did enter a trade at this candle, but when I saw, that it was not going to hold, I think I was doing that on the 5 minutes time frame. Yeah, I took a trade from here. So we went up there, this candle that was rejecting, I just had to close it. And, eventually we did came back down. So I just want to see this 382 level hold. If it doesn't hold, then on that 15 minutes time frame, what I'm looking at is, this embracing the 200, and then maybe we'll have a rejection. But if not, the next level we should be looking at is the 50% level using the Fibonacci 2, or the overall level will be that, golden pocket level, which is that 618 level. Okay, that's what I'm looking at for Gala, guys. That's what I'm looking at for Gala. So let's be, more bullish than, looking for sell trades and all of that. Because if this eventually happens, and then maybe you get the news either this night or tomorrow, everything will just start moving. So what I would do basically is some of these tokens I want to trade, okay, I can just decide to split whatever capital I have and set limit orders, okay, set limit orders and see possible areas that I feel this will just go and reject, okay. And talking about BTC, I'm looking at that $83,000 level, all right, and then back up to like 45,000 or even more, and all of those areas. Okay, you look at 34, between 34 and 33. 34 and 33, okay, set limit orders in between, but let it be whatever you can afford to lose, so that in case it happens in the night when you are sleeping and eventually these things takes over your account, you shouldn't be losing much, okay. But if not, just wait and but pay attention to the market, guys. Anything between now and tomorrow, pay attention to the market. It could happen, maybe it will happen Sunday night or Sunday evening or Saturday's night. Nobody knows. All right. But we just need to pay attention to that too. Okay. Yeah. For Link, I had a trade for Link yesterday, right? I think so. I don't think so. Okay. But yeah, I don't know. I'm not seeing any. Okay. Let's look at, let me go back to that 1,000 stuff again. I think I have it here. That 10,000. Where is it? Yeah, this one. This stuff is still very strong. The trend to the upside is still very strong, guys. Trend to the upside is still very strong. Yeah, I'm not getting the pullback that I'm looking for, okay? Not getting that pullback. This came, but it did not touch the moving average. Just wait, okay? Let's patiently wait. If we can get this thing even down to that 56 or thereabout, we can start looking at building a position for that, guys. Okay, we can start looking at building a position for that. Yeah, I'm looking for more of long. The reason for that is because of what is happening here. Okay, if you look at the daily time frame or even the 8 hours time frame, guys, you see this. All right, yesterday we were bullish, today we are bullish, and then this is like a straight move to that 13-12 cent level, right? A straight move to that 13-12 cent level. Okay, the only place we could maybe play around for a while, maybe somewhere around there, guys. And then that's 78. But once we break this, okay, anything can happen, guys. You could get this candle just one move today, is back to that $12 level. Okay, so just look for long entries instead, except you want to start, scalping this trade. Just look for more of long entries instead of short. Okay, and even the scalp itself, look at the pullbacks. The pullbacks are not that much, guys. All right, look at this pullback. It was just, yeah, you could scalp this 6%. Yeah, from there down. You could scalp this, okay? You could scalp this, but look for the bigger picture. So let's say you get a pullback, you get a pullback from here, okay? From there down there, you're getting like 12%. And then eventually that stuff moves up, okay? That is over 26%. And then you get another pullback from there, down there, 8%, right? Around 10%. What happened? It moves up again from that pullback up by 22%. Okay, you get another pullback here, right? We get around, this one went down to 11%, okay? And then they move to the upside. What happened? From here, massive, okay? You get around that area there, 19%. So you see that the opportunity to the upside, okay? Here, we just had a pullback for like how many percent? 6%. And then the opportunity to the upside is always massive, okay? Yeah, 17%. The opportunity to the upside is always massive. So it started very high, and then now, right now, it's getting weaker and weaker. So we could have a massive pullback before this will continue that trend, okay? So let's pay attention to that. Maybe we could actually use that Fibonacci retracement too and see if that will happen. So if we pick it from this move up to that high there, okay, the 382, which is that daily open from this current high, because it could create another high and continue to go up, okay? So the 382 could be a good level to take a trade up. That is, if we do get but down to that level. 382, we should be around that 51 cent level could be a good area to start looking for long for this trade. All right. So I don't know what the token is all about, but yeah, I see more of longs to the upside. It's 33,000 use low leverage. Okay. Yeah, limit order is yeah, use low leverage, but I'm looking, so I'm not going to have one limit order at 33, okay? I'm not going to have one limit order at 33. Anything from between 34, okay, I will just split it, all right, between 34 and 33,000. Okay, the reason for that is because BTC could wick down, all right, just like what you're seeing here, right? We could wick down to maybe around 33,000, okay? And then immediately we reverse and start going back up, right? But right now, you see that we are forming this ascending triangle, okay? So for as long as we are within this range, you are good, okay? So that is why I say maybe you set the limit order 34, enter. Yeah, for you know, if we are really projecting that BTC will go to 40,000, so use very low leverage and make sure that if it gets to 33,000, you are not losing much. Okay, but don't put stop loss there, guys. Don't put stop loss there. So if we do have a massive way down there and eventually we start going up, then that could be a good trade. So I could have a limit order at 34 or even 33,800. Okay, looking at this level here, 33,200 even. Okay, have another one at 33. Okay, and basically you can have another one maybe at that 200 day, 31 or so. So if it picks 1, 2, and then eventually start going up, you should know that that will favor you. Okay, and set a limit order to take profit at either 40,000, 45,000, or 42,000, whatever. Okay, don't over project. Okay, or you could set a limit order to close 50% or 75% of your account. Okay, if it gets to that certain level, and then you can allow the remaining one to run. All right, all of that can be done, and then you go and sleep. And if eventually happens, okay, maybe you could start with the Asians midnight and all of that, and then eventually gradually goes. AVAX, where is it? AVAX, what do we have? Yeah, even AVAX refused to break above that level I was looking at, guys. Look at that. Okay, so we had that massive week. I was thinking this candle will close with the body there. We had a massive week and then we are coming back. So for AVAX, I think I should look for a quick sell. For AVAX, I think I should look for a quick sell. Okay, how we shall come to test that level again. Yeah, AVAX, it should be more of sell than just take a trade up there, guys. Until we close above $11, right? For now, it is a sell for me, guys. It is a sell for AVAX. So if, I don't know, maybe if we do get to that $10.9 level again, it would be a good area to sell. I wouldn't say enter with market order right now, which will still work, okay? Entering with a market order right now will still work for a short trade, guys, okay? And then maybe you target this level here or even take it down to this level, this low here, guys. That's around 9.8, 9.8. But I'm looking at this area. Let's see how AVAX will play out, guys. Let's see how AVAX will play out. Who is with me to short this trade right now? Let's not rush into it, okay? Wait for a pullback. Maybe if you get AVAX at 10.7, if you get it up to 10.9, it could be a good entry level, okay? 10.7, between 10.7 and 10.9, that could be a good entry for a short trade, okay? For a short trade. But whatever you're doing here, guys, pay attention to it because if anything, you know, fundamentally happen that is bullish for the market, all this setup will be invalidated and, you know, trades could start going up, you know, going up very well. So for AVAX, yes, for the time being, we'll be looking for short, but if we do reverse to the upside, yeah, we could be looking for a long trade as well. Then for OP, I was looking at that level, we didn't break above it, and then we started descending down, guys. So for the OP trade, which level are we looking at next? Where is this thing? Let's take it up to that high there left. Will OP gets back down to 126, I doubt. It will get to 126, I doubt. But if we get it at even 133 will be a good area to, yeah, anything around this area we could be looking to long, guys. 133. 133, if us at 133 could be a good area to be looking for long trades. Okay, there's another token here, which is that WAX. WAX, let's see if we can get link. Yeah, I just looked at link right now. Link. Mhm. Let me remove this drawing, guys. So for link, let's do 1 hour. No. Link. Think link, you can sell link to around 10.5 or 10.4. Okay, 10.5. If you get link up there again, and then, sorry, this is short. Anything at that $10.9 level, okay, you could target that area there. 10.5. 10.44. But if I get link down to even 9.7, okay, it could be a good area to long. 9.7 or thereabout could be a good area to take a long trade for link. Okay. Guys, market is just so boring this morning. I'm not seeing any opportunity to take a long trade, okay? I should be, this link of a thing I should be looking for. Guys, look at that week. Okay. So if we look at the weekly time frame on this link of a thing, look at the area we broke at, right? That's, we've been testing this area, time without number, right? And then eventually we broke at. So if you get link at $9, even I said 9.7, right? If you get link even at that $9.5 level, guys, be looking for long, okay? Be looking for long. I don't know if this will get down there, but yeah, I was looking at that 9%, which is the 200 up moving average. Okay, if you get link even 9.5 or thereabout, okay, be looking for more of long. If you're looking for more of long at those areas for link. But at the moment, guys, we'll just be monitoring the market. This move alone would have given us some percentage, but let's wait if we can pull back, if we can push back. Link would definitely go down maybe to around that $9 level and all of that. But let's look for a good entry to take it down there. Okay. Let's look for a good entry that will help us push link down there, guys. Wait for a good entry that will help us push link down there. So I'm looking at either we reject here at 10.9 or down up there at $11. Okay. So if we do get $11, we take link down. We do get it to $11. Okay, guys, this 10,000 stuff is coming down. Yeah, that 10,000 stuff is coming down. 10,000, not ladies, where is it? 10,000, this one. So I'm looking at 15 minutes, right? Which area was I looking at, sir? This area of 52. If we'd even get it at, okay, this is on the 15 minutes type. If we get it to come touch this 200 moving average, okay, it could be, this is a swing trade, okay? If this finally plays out, all right, it's going to be a swing trade. Once you get a good entry and you're holding on to this position, once it's in profit, you just secure your money first by moving stop to entry. And then we continue to hold until we get to 13 or 12 cent dollars. All right, that's my target for this trade. That is if I do get a good entry. Yeah, if I get a good entry, I'll be looking at, taking a trade to 12 cent or even up to 12 cent or even up to that level down there. Okay, yeah, TRB, I'm still holding on, not for features, okay? TRB is not features. It's definitely spot, guys. TRB is not feature. Then for the ladies, 10,000 ladies. Beatrice want to look at ladies. Is it ladies or lady? Where is that stuff? I think I saw it now. 10,000 lady. I saw 10,000 lady here, right? Okay, that's one there. Yeah. Did we get down to, 40 cent, guys? Wait, was it not this token I was saying, let it come down to the 200, right? Yeah, on the 5 minutes, we just rejected at that level, guys. Beatrice, did you enter the trade? Did you enter the trade or you're just joining? This massive rejection would have given you some profit, guys, for 10,000 ladies. Yeah. Yep. Maybe we'll set a limit order for that again, guys. Yeah, we've been rejecting around this area, quite well. And this engulfing candle just proved, this is on the 5 minutes time frame, just proved that this area is a very strong area, guys. So you see why it's not good you be jumping from one token to another. Once you see a particular token and, you say, this is what I'm going to trade. Okay, guys, assignment for all of you. Everybody have at least, no, not at least, have three tokens on your watch list, on the top of your watch list. Okay. If we can do it in a way that you're looking at 3 different tokens, I'm looking at 3 different tokens, everybody's looking at 3, not the same token, okay? BTC, Ethereum is out of it, all right? BTC, any other altcoin, 3 tokens, coins that are doing very well, so that every day we'll be looking at it. When you see a sign from your end, we'll say, okay, this my own is moving, let's look at it. It will help us a lot. Yes, go ahead.
Yes, we've just analyzed Flock. Enterprise. Yeah, Flock. The enterprises will be 3980 or 3980. 3980.
3980. That's for long, right?
Yeah, that's for long. Or 380. Or 3880.
3880.
Yeah, we can start from 3880 to 390. 3980. That is the enterprise.
For long, okay, 3880.
Yeah, 3880. And then our first profit is for 200, for 400, for 800. And our stop loss is 38.
Stop loss is 380, right?
Yeah, 38. I'm setting it my limit order now.
Okay, guys. So set the last take profit is where?
Or the last take profit, it will be 3,800. That is the stop loss. I mean, or the last profit is for 800.
Okay, 3.4800.
Yeah, that is for long. That is the trade that I'm thinking.
That's massive, actually, guys. This is like a 1 to 11 risk reward ratio. if this plays at 23%, you're using like, let me try 20x leverage on this and see how it
20x leverage, because this is going to be a good move. Okay, let me set my team limit orders.
Good morning, Mr. Liu. Mr. Bias, could you please type it on the chat?
Okay.
I'll just
Okay,
send
Mr.
this.
Leonard,
Let me
can you
just
help
take a
me?
screenshot.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll
Can
take
you
a
help me?
screenshot of this and send. Let me just do that now.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Before I place my order. So,
I'm also watching that Floki. It's crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy. I'm taking a trade here.
It's I think it's the next Shiba.
Yeah. But
oh, it's a cheat coin, right?
yeah,
It's one of these meme coins.
Yes.
I do not know my leverage on bybit. It doesn't allow me to go more than 20x. It's 16.6x.
This is for this particular token. For this particular token, you can't go more than that.
So I just go for the maximum.
Yeah, just go for the 16.67. You can't go more than this for this.
Okay.
Yeah. Guys, please, this thing will trigger now. Let me just snap. I will send the typing later, but let me just snap. Yeah, it's going to trigger that, guys, immediately. So take a screenshot of this. And somebody will start asking me question now, but I will send and I will type later. For those of you who are here, you should be able to know which token is this. Then I will type to read later. Let me set my limit order so that I don't miss it. Network. As if it is 388, the trade has already triggered. So yeah, we are getting it, get it, and network will not allow my own trade to trigger, guys. This is so annoying.
Yes, I'm already on profit.
Definitely, you should.
Yeah.
As I heard using browsers for this, okay? Yeah, just got in now.
It's moving this stuff because my order is already filled.
It's going up and back and forth and all of that. Yeah, guys, if even down to that 378, you'll still get good entry for that. Yeah, down to that daily open, which is even down to 37. But if you are there already, guys, it should be working for you. If you are using the 16x leverage, you should be up already by
Yes,
8%,
it has
10%.
triggered.
Guys,
so,
imagine, guys, if I was using a good margin, like
Sorry.
if you use a good margin, that's good profit and all of that. So even if you decide to close at 10%, you should be good, right? You should be good on that. So yeah, let's see how it goes. The risk to reward ratio is a good one. So even if it is just $10 or whatever you're risking in this, it should be able to give you money. That is if that plays out. Okay, if that plays out, it should be able to give you some money. But let's see how it goes. Okay, let's see how that goes. If you get like, if we get it up here, if this token moves up to 40 cents, we should be moving stop to entry or even secure profit at around 394, 395. Okay, so just pay attention to that. And
395.
yeah, that is if we get to 0.04. First take profit is 4,200, right?
Yeah, first profit is for 200. That's correct.
Yeah. So once we get to the 40-cent level, you can move your stock and all of that and stuff like that. But if you see a sign that this is coming back down, you could just, re-enter the trade and stuff like that. So if you break above this, just move your stop and secure some profit for yourself while you allow the remaining one to run. Then if we do get here, okay, 41 or even that 4,200, if you don't want to close half of your position, okay, if you don't want to close half of your position, all you just need to do is to move stop loss to maybe around 40 or even 41, okay? So that's basically what we're going to do on this token right now. So
it's early to secure some profit now.
It's up by 20%, but you can, I don't know if you did not enter with good margin, just let it run, okay? Let it run. Maybe this could still be going up. Okay, let's see how this can go. Let's see how this can go. I will secure profit once we hit that 0.04. I'll just secure profit if we hit that 0.04 because this 5 minutes candle just started and it will close. Let's see how the next one will go. Okay. In the next 18 seconds, it would have been good if this engulfs this candle, right? Even if it is the body without the wick, right? Yeah, even if it is a body without the wick and all of that. So if we engulf this particular bearish candle here, which is what is happening here, so yeah, it means that we could continue that movement to the upside. So yeah, at 40 cents, secure profit, guys. Okay, move your stop to entry. Let me not be like Moses that will lead the people to Israel, to the promised land, and don't enter the promised land. You call it do that again. Yeah, but if we continue to move up, guys, it could be a good stuff. So let's see how that will go. Yeah, if we do get to 480, it should be making over 300% plus. So let me move stop to. I'm moving my stop to entry first. Then I'll move it for that if we do get to.
My stop loss is. I'm moving my stop loss on 3940. Eh? Because this thing is moving like hell. Eh?
Because anyway, I'll move mine to entry. I will adjust it if it continues to move.
Oh my God, this is so crazy.
This is so crazy,
oh
man.
My goodness.
I've just identified.
Which?
It is so crazy.
Damn, I only placed $10. Oh my goodness.
Don't regret it, because if this was going against us and then you enter with like $1,000, you'll be losing like the same thing. Okay.
So yeah,
so don't worry. Yeah, let's get good at placing such trades. Yeah, gradually we'll start increasing the margin and all of that. So let's let it run for now. Let it run for now. And okay, let's monitor that.
I guess one can scalp this, yeah?
Yeah, you can, but if you are scalping, which time frame? I'm on the 5 minutes time frame, right? So maybe we could get a rejection back again from here, which is what you're actually seeing. Let me go to like the 3 minutes time frame. Yeah, you see this area we've been rejecting that 40. Once we break above this area, then guys, we could continue to go up. Once we break above this area, we could continue to go up. But just let it run, guys. Let it run. Maybe we could break this area before come back down again and stuff like that. I don't know. But if we see a sign that this is coming down, maybe you could secure profit and re-enter.
You see it's on 40 cents now.
Yeah, it's 40 cents. So yeah, just secure, even if it is 5% profit you want to secure right now, guys, and then allow the remaining one to run. Even if it is 5% profit, okay, depending on your margin, if you secure 5% profit, it should be good. Be good. So depending if you enter that 488, okay, 5% profit will be if you move it to 4, that is 38, let's say 3899. 3899 should give you 8% in profit. 3899 should give you 8% in profit. But I don't want us to reject this area. I just want us to continue to go up. I'm not sure. I'm not sure yet. Yeah. I'm not sure yet. Okay. Yeah, let's see. That could still work. That could still work, guys. Okay, then this other one started rejecting without going to where we wanted it to. Where is that 10,000 stuff?
Yes, you. I didn't see that I took the first TP. Yes.
Wait, you mean this one?
Depending here. I'm out of the trade. I do not know how.
Where did you move your TP to? You move your stop loss too close. Did you maybe you move your stop loss too close? I don't know, because for this to take you out, it means that your stop loss was 399 instead of 389.
Yes. Can I enter again?
Please wait for it to pull back. If you want to enter again, it should be anything above 40. Anything above 40, because we could pull back from this 40. That is 0404.
Okay.
Yes, just set another limit order at the same entry. Set another limit order at the same entry. If you are using like your margin is 5x, okay? If your margin is 5x, you can enter now, and then $5, okay? If for instance you're using like a $20, you can split it, okay, into 3. If you enter now, and then eventually it comes down, you want to enter again, then leave the last entry at the current entry right now.
Okay.
Yeah, so that if you pull back, we'll pick the second entry. So your second entry will be around that 3929. And then the last entry will be at that 8388 stuff. So you can divide that margin into 3, enter now, and then split the remaining one. The next one will be here. The next one will be at the entry. And let's see how it goes. Okay.
Or let me wait for it to retest again so that I can see with the data. But it looks like it's going up.
Your stop loss should not be too, stuff like this. One candle can just move up, down, and stuff like that. So okay, it will seem to be holding on to that level. Let's see. We just need, once we break above this level, guys. Once we break above this level, anything above 40, 41 or thereabouts could be a massive move somehow. Let's see how that will go, guys.
Sorry, sir. You said entry limit order 3924.
Are you out of the trade? Are you out of the trade as well?
No, I'm not. Still running.
Okay. Yeah. If you are not out of the trade, there is no need. You don't need to set another entry again.
Okay.
You don't need to set another entry again. Just let the one that is running, let it run. But if you're out
Okay,
of the trade, yeah, you could set a limit order at that 3927 and then maybe another one at the major entry. But we want to see that this continues to run from here to.
okay, okay, sir. Sir, please, can I suggest something?
Right.
How about we, just like you said, maybe we pick for the class or for the project, we pick like 2 coins that will scalp for the next 1 hour in the class. As in, while you're scalping it, while you're teaching or scalping, we scalp that at the same time, as in everybody in the class scalp the 2 3 coins,
Okay.
maybe within 30 minutes or 1 hour of this every day, so that we know that, okay, this scalping we did today, this is what it generated, this is how it added to the project, because Christmas is fast approaching.
Yeah, I think the
And
scalping of a thing will be a good thing because normally we'll just be doing like a 1 minute scalp stuff of it. Even if it is a 1 to 2 reward ratio, we are looking at like a 1.5, 1.2. It could be good. Yeah, it could be good. But the reason why I'm gonna try, yeah, we will try it. Okay, let me not bring in excuses. We'll try that, right? We'll pick some tokens and then we'll try that. Okay.
is it
Yeah. Why
suggest
this? Yeah, is okay. Why this is running? Why this is running? Let's see if we can try that on this. What's that token again? What's the name of that token?
so that
10,000
we'll keep
stuff.
this consistent, we do it every day as we meet.
Yeah.
Mr. Bayan, I hope we are okay with this suggestion.
I'm out of the trade. I don't see any entry yet. Yeah? I've been live.
He's still looking for entry.
Yes, I don't want to force trade. Yeah? That's what I don't like.
Okay, on the 1 minute, we seem to be consolidating here. So seem to be consolidating. Let's see if that will break below. If it does, then we will come down a bit before we go. When trade like this happens, just most especially when if we start this, let's say we do more of 1 minute, 3 minutes capping. If you're adjusting your TPs, it shouldn't be too close. It shouldn't be too close. If it is too close, you just get out of the market.
That's what the problem is. My margin is I have to I have to add some money. It's no.
Hello, sir.
Yes, go ahead.
I don't know if if some people really place that trade for big time because it is moving in profit. Yeah.
You entered with market order. I set limit order, the same order I gave you, right?
The limit order.
Yeah, my own has not triggered though. Did your own trigger?
Yeah.
What did I not do?
I even have like 60% now.
Okay. No. Big time. How come my own? What was the entering I gave?
I haven't entered that trade.
I gave 1451, right?
Let me check.
Yes, now my own did not trigger. The limit order is dependent. Maybe you entered with market order. Yeah, it's moving well. Those of you who enter with market order, if you entered even close to the entry, yeah, the stuff is moving well. So let me go to that big time of a thing. Big time. Do I have it?
Let me check.
I missed big time.
It's
Look at that, guys. That's massive. So we just came rejected. Yeah. Yeah, maybe your entry should be around that 3 stuff. So we came and rejected at that 200 stuff, and we are going back up. Okay. So like 200 stuff, we're going back up. So yeah.
It's already moved, yo. I can't enter.
The 5-1 I was looking at is somewhere around this area here, around the daily open. Around the daily open. Okay, that flocky stuff is coming back. You could still get good entry.
Yes, I'm looking at it, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, there's another trade that we can just look at. I've missed the entry on Haifa. I've missed the entry.
Haifa.
But about this big time, sir, are we to close it or we should just leave it to run?
The big time, I gave you, okay, I did not give you entry, right? If 60% is enough for you, you can close it, okay? Big time will still, could still go back, or, okay, big time is on the 1 hour, we are like at a resistance right now. Okay, big time, I'm looking at it at the resistance. If we break above the level we are now, just secure your profit, okay? You can move your entry, your stop loss to around that 148, 1483 or 1485. And leave it, okay? Yeah, so that in case it comes back down, you can, go home with some profit. But if not, if it doesn't come back down, you can just leave it and be targeting 0.158. 158 could be your target for that. I know I did not give take profit for that, so yeah. This flow key of a thing, I think I should re-enter it. Okay, Hi-Fi, where was the entry that you missed? Okay, this token can, still have a potential of going. This is where we're looking at it the day before yesterday. We're currently above that 50 moving average. So you said you missed the entry. I will enter this trade. Let me look for entry for these guys. This thing can go up, okay? It can, we will have a massive pump on this stuff. We'll have a massive. So what I would do is, where was the entry for this that you missed? Okay, guys, I will close this flocky stuff. I will re-enter again at the entry. Okay, I'll close it, secure like some money there. I'll re-enter again at the entry for that. Let me reset the entry. It will be 3. I'm re-entering that trade again. Yeah, it's coming back to the entry, guys. You can close the trade and re-enter again, okay? You can close that trade and re-enter again. This time around, I will equally buy lower if we get lower, but my entry will still be at that 3.
Okay, sorry guys, I was out. I was attending a call.
Yeah, I was asking the entry for the Hi-Fi that you missed because I want to see if I can play.
Okay, let me give you the entry. Let me give you the entry. Give you the entry. Or the entry it was 6,400.
6,400 for a long or short?
For a long. This is a long trade. My end is 6,400. The entry is not yet triggered, eh?
Yeah, the entry is above the current market price.
Yeah,
because we are currently at 6,249 also.
Yes, you can. Yes, hence I was like, we need to set the limit order because it's going to that 6,400. I mean, no, sorry, man. Sorry, that was my take profit. The entry is 6,200, 6,230, and 6,100. So it's already above.
Above that area, okay. Yeah, we can still look for entry for that, but I'm setting a limit order for my flocky trade. Let's see if we can pick that entry again before we go back up. Yeah, because this one it looked like it's still going up. We can take a chance because
Let me check. 4 hour time frame. 6,200. Yeah. Can you check on the 4 hour?
This is on the 5 minutes, okay? So
6,230. That was the
I just set a limit order for that. Set a limit order for that. It could pick. Let's use the 6,200 for that. Set a limit order at the 6,200, and
or
then
or
our
60.
target. Yeah, we'll go 6,230 is below. Let me see what I can do.
It's 0.230.
Okay, I'll do market order, and then if we get it back down there, I'll add to my position and see.
You must
We
do
will
market
see.
order.
Yes, because of the way it's moving right now, I will not be able to. I don't think it will get to that 200 again. This candle here in 50 seconds could go bullish. So
Yeah, the entry was 6,100 and 6,230. So 6 is already hit 6,100. That was entry before. It was on 6,500. It was 6. Now it's on 6,233. So let's make market order. Okay, and then buy long.
Market order on hi-fi, right?
Yeah, and buy long.
Long, right?
Yeah.
yes, buy low.
Okay.
And then your TP is 6,400. Your first TP is 0.600 or 6,590.
Okay. First TP 6,400.
Yeah, or 6,590. Your stop loss is 5,950.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, this one has not gotten to the entry yet, so I'm still waiting for that to wake down. See how that will go, guys.
Yeah, but
Boss, let's check band and BCH. Band and BCH.
And let's band. Okay. I have no idea. Okay. And USDT. So for band, let's do a quick scalp on band, okay? Let's do,
Okay.
yeah, let's do a quick scalp on this. You can enter the market order and then target. If we get to 157, if we even come clear this other block at 159, fine, but maybe our target will just be that 157 for now. We do have a massive other block down here, guys. If this comes back down to this area, okay, you know what? Let's set a limit order around this area here. Maybe 1.5 down there to that week. Can we claim that week? Let's do 1.526. Okay, 1.526, and then set your TP as 20% in case that happens. 1.526 you can do for band. But I see this move here. This can give us maybe around 5-10% move before it goes down to that area. Okay. I see this moving off from here where we're currently seated. Yeah, so we could come clear this, yeah, look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. And then all these weeks here will. Okay, let's pay attention to this, but I'm looking at this week here, okay? I'm looking at this previous week here. If we can come to that 1.526 area, right? 1.526 area, it could be a good area to take, right? If we get another week move like this, 20% move or thereabout could be enough to get out of this market for this token. Okay, so let's pay attention to this week in case we come back down to that area.
Okay, 20% on 10x leverage?
Yes, 20% on 10x leverage. So if you do that, yeah, 20%.
That should be about 2%.
Yes, 2% more. So if we do get another week like this, guys, yeah, that should be around 15% or thereabouts. So, but let's do that 20% on the 10x leverage. Let's do that 20%. But here, this area is still holding on strong, so I don't know how far this can go. The other token is which one?
BCH.
Okay. This, where is that flow key of a thing? Where is the price of that flow? It has not triggered yet, right? No, it hasn't. BCH. Okay, for the BCH, it would have been good if we look for long here, but right now this candle, I don't know, this candle, if this engulfs this one, maybe we could be going back up, but looking for long around this 240 level could be a good deal for us, guys. So let's monitor this trade and see how it goes, okay? If we do weak down to that level, it could be a good area to move to the upside. If we do weak down there, it could be a good area to move to the upside.
So let me turn on BCH.
If you check charts on the YDX, you see a nice resistance on the 1 hour time frame. I think from there it's going to go up because it's already giving momentum ready to go up. You can check the chart out. The YDX.
DYDX.
Yes, the YDX.
On which time frame is that?
1 hour time frame.
1 hour. Okay, you're saying it will go up from the current price right now.
I'm saying that price has not broken below that your line, that green line there. So it's just coming back there, going up a little bit, coming back there, just going
This
up a little
area
bit.
here, right?
Yes, that area.
Yeah, for DIDs, if I even get it, this coming down to that 200, that could be a good area even. So we do come back there. But for now, for DYDX, we are still, if you look at the 8 hours time frame, yeah, we'll not come, we need to come back down to that 2.2 area before we even start looking for long. 2.2 area, but a good area for a good, move to the upside. We just have that dead cross on the 8 hours here, the 50%, the 50 moving average crossing above that. Yeah, so I don't know. Let's just wait. Some of these tokens will be able to set, limit orders before the end of today. We'll be able to set limit orders for them. Okay, the hi-fi stuff is equally going well. Let's see if it will hit that first TP. Okay, now the problem is all these things I'm just putting in small margin. I'm just putting in small margin, so we may not be able to get as much. But yeah, it's good. We can do it slow and steady, guys. We can do it slow and steady. 5 minutes on DYDX. We can do a quick scalp. If DYDX go to 2.3, okay, we can take a quick sell there. 2.3 on DYDX, we can take a quick sell on the 5 minutes, guys. On the 5 minutes, if we go to 2.3, we can take a quick sell for DYDX. Let's see. Push it down this way, like that. Let's see if we can go touch that area again, then we can take. Okay. We'll go test that area there, come back down. That's what I'm looking at. All right, but for a quick scalp, okay, maybe this could be, I don't know, if we take it long now, could be 0.6%. Let's see how that goes. If we go get a rejection there, then that could be. Guys, the Floki stuff, the nuts has decided not to come to that entry again. So we are still at 397, or we are looking at 388. 388, let's see how that will go, guys. 388. So pay attention to DYDX too. Bitcoin Cash, let me do 5 minutes. Let's wait if we can get Bitcoin Cash at that 240. Okay. Yeah, 240 could be a good area to cash Bitcoin Cash to the upside. 240. $240. Maybe you can just risk a little amount of money and set a limit order at that 240 for for Bitcoin Cash. Okay, you can risk a little amount of money and set limit order at that 240. If we get it at 240, then we can cash it and take it up. Okay.
Plus.
That one Haifa guys is moving well, eh?
Which one is that?
Haifa.
Yes, it's moving. It's moving well on my end actually. It's moving well on my end. So I'm just waiting. If the TP I'm looking at is that 640. You gave 2 different TPs, right?
Yes. The first TP, but you can always max the medium you want, but again, 6400 as the 06400 was the first one, 06590 is the second one.
Okay, I'll use 400. I'll use 6400. Once I get 6400, should be able to give me. I'm using 11x leverage, so 6400 should give me around 28%. That should do.
Okay.
6400 should give me 28%. So even at 20%, I can even close it market order. I don't want to be targeting too much. But what I do is that what I'm going to do is at the end of the day, we're going to look at like Ethereum. Okay, we'll look at Bitcoin, and then we'll look at some other tokens that we feel will follow the fight on Bitcoin. Then we can set limit orders on those. Or alternatively, we can just we'll set alert for them. Once the alert triggers that, oh, this is hitting this position and all of that, then we can manually enter the trade and all of that. So that's basically what we'll be looking at. Oh, let's see how that will go. But let's just wait. Hopefully before the end of today, we would have made some profit and then See, yeah, cyber too. Cyber was, yeah, look at cyber. Cyber just woke up from nowhere. I started trading cyber at 4.3, but cyber didn't give me what I expected. This is one funny thing with some of these tokens. This is one funny thing with some of these tokens. You hold them, and then eventually when they wake up, they will just start pumping and all of that. So let me see here, time frame for cyber. Okay, so daily. Look at that. So after cyber dumped for only God know how long, he decided to, break out. These breakers are, another token that is, I think Loom is already breaking out actually. Loom is at 11 cents at the moment. I can't really say. Okay. Loom is already breaking out or something. Yeah, Loom, I think, I don't have it on the watch list here. I don't know another token that, guys, if you get something like this and eventually you get that breakout, that could be massive, right? That could be massive. So
I need to add margin, eh? I can't be trading with $10.
yeah.
because these moves are massive. Because now I think I'm still waiting for that guy for BTC for that approval if these are fake news or not. But if these are not fake news, then we need to prepare some margin because the altcoins will move massively. Eh?
Yeah.
It's going to
Definitely.
be long.
Guys, we missed this move on big time. I don't know why my trade, I would have just entered with market order. I missed this move on big time. So let's just wait for pullback. Those of you who entered already, yeah, keep managing your trades. Let's wait for pullbacks for this big time trade. Get pullback, we can, because this is another token. If you wakes up, right, you see that dump. So if eventually we wake up on this token, then we could see more moves to the upside, guys. More moves to the upside. Yeah, more bigger move to the upside. So pay attention on big time. We could be heading to even 16 cent level, guys. 16 cent level. So if you're on this trade already, be holding your position for the big time. Be holding your position for big time, and let's see how that will go.
So the big time, is it for swing trade or for scalping?
Big time. No. If you're in that trade already, just holding. It's not, it's a swing trade. You can hold for as long as
I missed it. That's why I'm asking.
Yeah. If you miss the entry, there's no way we don't scalp this yet. It's not for scalping at the moment. So
Okay.
yeah, let's wait for that to go. Okay, DYDX, we are still expecting it. If you can come up to that area, okay. Leverage streams. I don't know which of the coin. We've been looking at too many coins at the moment, so I don't know which of the coin you are referring to. We've been looking at too many coins, but the one we are trading is the hi-fi, right? Hi-fi is pulling back.
Yeah, it's pulling back because I was on 2-run profit. Now it pulled back. I didn't know. I didn't set my stop loss closer.
Yeah, so it's pulling back already. Don't as it is right now. If you close with market order, you could be losing because maybe bybit will charge fee, and yes, it's just let it run, okay. But if we do get down to, six, which area is that? Am I looking at which area? We get down to even 60. Yeah, this I'll use this area to add. Where will I do? This is 5 minutes, right? Yeah, let's use this. Let's use this. 618 or living at that 60 cent level, guys. You should be looking to add to your position. Just let it run. Let it run. It will go. It will hit. Take profit eventually. It will hit our TP eventually. So just let it run. Depending on the margin size you're using, guys. Okay, if you're using anything $50 and above, you don't need to add to your margin. All right. But let it run. Let it run. It will eventually play out. Hi-Fi will eventually pay the bills. IFI will eventually pay the base. It's going back up, so there's no need to panic and sell or close the position, guys.
It came back.
Yeah. Yeah. This big time stuff going well. I'm looking to take a short on DYDX if we get to 2.302. Yeah, 2.302. I will look at taking a short for that. Is anybody still holding on to that flow key of a thing? Let me check.
No, I mean, I'm out already a long time ago.
Me too.
So check C.
Because it has failed to come back.
SEI.
Which one?
C SEI. SEI UST.
SEI.
ATR coins.
SEI.
Yeah, I was looking to buy this token, but I don't know. I have not really checked what this. I think it was newly listed.
Let me do
SEI.
it voice note because I don't think you understand the proper obtains and the social media code. Like, say what I'm saying this again. In Doban said it, I'm not Nandians Doban talk about online on your online. You know that I hate it and the ends about ends on the and the phone ends and Apuma will done. What I was saying that Uten was about the share.
I think that was not for us. Okay. My indicator is still here. I've not been using this thing for a while, guys. You see one thing with indicators around all of that. You pay for it and then you just dump it somewhere. So as I was telling some person that is if you have not started making money, don't pay for indicator. What are you paying for indicator for? But the next indicator I'm going to subscribe for is the Luxago stuff. I like their indicator. Actually, I've tested it once, but I like their indicator.
Please, I would really need that because I wanted to ask, like for those of us that just our budget is on the very low side, which indicator one can get for free on trading view that would help one in scalping and
there are a lot of indicators, beautiful indicators. Okay, just learn this this moving average stuff, guys. Okay, learn moving average stuff. This moving average. This is free indicator even on bybit. It's on all the exchanges. Okay, learn how to use the moving average. Learn how to use the RSI, the stochastic RSI. And then I use this one a lot. This is the Fu Manchu indicator. Okay, it's like a combination of almost everything. Okay, I use this particular indicator a lot, the Fu Manchu indicator. It's free indicator. The paid indicator is what's it called? Market Cipher, right? It's almost the same thing, right? It does almost the same thing, but this one is free. Okay, Market Cipher is very expensive. It's just an oscillator like this one, but this is a free indicator. Fu Manchu is called Vu. What's the name again? Fu Manchu. Fu Manchu. Just go to Trading View. Yeah, VMC Cipher. There is Cipher B, there is Cipher A, but the B is the one you want to use. This is very good indicator. If you pair it with your chart, you see it will always give you all these divergence. And guys, as I said earlier, whether it's the paid indicator, is a free indicator, indicators will give you close to accurate, okay, close to accurate result on higher time frames, okay, higher time frames. So when there is a divergence, either bullish or bearish divergence, this indicator will always give you those signs and all of that. So yeah,
You said
I like,
it's VM cipher.
yes, it's Vuman, is actually Vumanchu. Is if you just type in here, if you go to indicator, just type
EVM.
VU, that is VU, right? Yes,
V,
VUMA. VU, this
VM.
Vumanchu cipher B, that is the one you're going to
Oh,
use.
cipher B. Okay, thanks. I got it.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
There is one that is cipher A, but just use this one. So I just decided to, put off some of the things I don't need. There are a lot of settings. Like when you open it up, you will see lines like this stochastic, whatever. There is one stochastic stuff there that I don't like using. I think regular, no, not the divergence, stochastic, yeah, show stochastic RS. Yeah, those lines, I don't like using them, okay? So I just put them off and stuff like that. I just like using this alone and I'm good, okay? Yeah, I'm good. So when
How do you
market
use
is
this
going up,
boss?
depending on the time frame you're using. Say again.
Oh, this indicator. How do you use indicator? This particular one.
Yeah, basically what I look for is the divergence, right? I'm always looking for this divergence. When this is bullish divergence, right? So what it simply does for you is it's just like, is a combination of a lot of indicators joined together, okay? When market is going, when you see like this dots here, okay, these dots, it means that we have red, we have the gold, we have the green. But whenever you see these dots at the top, so when market is overbought, right? You will see here, let me see if I can expand this. Okay, you see these bands here. There is a line at the top here, and then there is a line below here. Okay, so these are your overbought extended level and then the oversold level. Okay, so you see that whenever this is going up, all right, when the trend is, if you look at this, when the trend is very strong, right, the market is going up, you'll see this area that is highlighted like, is it white or which color is this, right? And then when the trend start getting weaker, what happened? When you see this disappearing, okay, it means that the trend is getting weak, and then eventually it changes to this like dark blue, whatever. And then when you get this print on the stuff, so you should be looking for, more short. Then these ones are the money flow, whatever. This other one that is here. All of these things are on the indicator, the settings. Sorry, scattered it already. All of them are on the indicator. Okay, but what I use here most are this divergence, right? This divergence is what I use more. Once I see a divergence, instead of spotting out this divergence manually, the indicator automatically spot all of those areas for you. Okay, so if, for instance, we compare this to the chart, sorry, I'll open that. Yeah, if we compare this to the chart, where did we have that divergence? Here, it's somewhere around here, right? Market was creating all these higher highs, then the indicator was creating these higher lows. So there was a divergence there, and then eventually you see that market drop, right? So it extended that divergence to the next mountain here, which is this one. And then market went up there and then dropped and all of that, okay? So here you see that market went up. This was showing you that strength. And then eventually what happened? This red dot printed, and then it started changing to this dark stuff. What happened? You immediately see market started dropping, okay? And then you see that the indicator now flipped, okay? When the market started dropping, it flipped to the downside. So there's a zero line here, a line that divides this and the up, right? So when we are trading below, it means that we are very bearish. So for the time being that we're going down and down, the market was just down there, right? It was just down there. And then we started printing this bullish divergence on the indicator, but it took that long, okay? The bullish divergence, it was going up, coming down, going up, coming up. But this area, the whole of this area was an area of consolidation, right? And then eventually we had a little pump here. You see that here, okay? Then this shoot up to the overbought level, all right? It shoot up to the overbought, as you can see, it crosses that line above. So at this point in time, you see that at that overbought level, what happened? So it's a combination of RSI, everything, all every oscillator you see here, this combines everything together and just gives you that, okay? So it's a very popular indicator and people use it a lot. So we had that massive reversal here, and then we started going down, right? Started going down and all of that. So yeah, use this. Maybe I'll make a time one day. We'll look at all of the settings one after the other, how to use them and the rest. Okay. A lot of things here. A lot of is actually a combination of a lot of indicators into one. Okay. The paid version of it is called the market cipher stuff, and it's very expensive actually. So yeah,
Okay,
this one
so
is normally you use the oscillators, use the indicators that are embedded into the chart, okay, like the moving average on your chart, okay. So if you are, instead of using the RSI or the stochastic RSI, which is another indicator that I use most of the time and all of that, you can just use this one, and it gives you almost everything that you need to
yeah,
AGLD. Yeah.
okay.
So
So that of the support and resistance indicator, free support and resistance indicator. Been
yeah,
finding it difficult to pinpoint out maybe the one that one can be using.
just use fluid trade. That one is good. Go to indicator and type fluid. Okay. Let me go to a plain chart. Where's that plain chart? This one. Go to indicator and type fluid trade. This is free support. That was spot. There are a lot of them, but this one I use most of the time. Okay. It's called fluid, whatever the name is. This one, fluid trade, SM whatever. Just click on it and then it's added to your chart. You see that it can give you all those support and resistance area, right? So you map out all of these areas for you on all time frames, right? But one thing I don't like about fluid, yeah, if you just type in fluid trades, that is
Okay.
for support and resistance level. It's a good indicator. It is free. You can use it, okay? But if you have money, guys, okay, buy Luxago. That's the next indicator I'm going to subscribe for.
Yes,
Basically, I like
it's awesome.
their other blog. They paid other blog stuff. I like the other blog. And guys, hi-fi, alpha. Why did I enter this trade? Is it going in my favor or against me? Okay, I'm still in the trade and it's going well. Okay. My TP is 4,400. Let's see how it goes. Maybe I'll move it. Should I move it? No, let's see how it goes. If it closes, I will look for another entry. Floki did not go down. Okay, it's still at that 3.9 stuff. I think it's basically having a heads up there. So let's see how that will go. Okay, so I was saying, yeah, this indicators works best on the higher time frame for you. So right now that this stuff is going up, be expecting that there could be some rejection at this area at the supply level, and then before it comes back down and all of that. So indicators works if you can just stick to 1 hour time frame. Okay, you can be taking your trades with indicators on the 1 hour time frame to help you a lot. All right. It will help you a lot. Then which other one? For a free indicator for Luxago, another one that you will love is the smart money concept style of trade indicator. But the stuff smart money, right?
I thought they monetized it.
No, there is a free version of the smart money.
Okay.
Is this no, this is not indicator, sorry. Smart money is still free.
Luxago.
Yeah, smart money concept. Okay, it's Luxago.
Okay.
You see that over 32,000 persons are using that indicator. So
yes,
this one is free. Okay, this one is free. This one is free. It's equally spotted, automatically spot those support resistance area for you too.
I'm using this one as well.
Yeah, this one is good. This one is good. So from what you can see, is giving us that on the 1 hour time frame, hi-fi could be stopping here. Okay, this is our all right. Yeah, hi-fi could be stopping up here. Then we'll have our discount premium zone. Is it discount zone? Premium zone at there on top there. So yeah. Okay, so yeah, hi-fi still in profit and still up by. Yeah, it should hit my TP any moment from now. Should hit my TP any moment from now. So I'm using that 640 as the TP for that. Okay, somebody recommended I will look at this, and then I'm going to look at AGLD too. So AGLD. Okay, I was expecting this to come there 2.3. That's for GYDX, okay? I think this should be on the watch list. GYDX, I'm expecting 2.3 for a short. I think there was maybe there was something about DYDX. Maybe they launched or they tweeted something about, I can't really remember, right? Which made the market actually started pumping and stuff like that. So it could be dumping. Maybe we could get it back to $2 or leaving 1.9 again and around. So if you get a good entry and you hold on to it, it gets to $2. It could be, depending on the leverage you're using, it could be good. Let's look at AGLD. I think I have that on my watch list. AGLD. Okay, can't find it. AGLD USDT. Okay, Aziz, what are you looking at on this token? I see. AGLD. Fluky, I have some limit orders. Maybe we could trigger that limit order. Yeah, I think market is for Fluky is getting down. If it triggers, but we need to look at that. If not, if it doesn't trigger while we are here, we'll have to close. We don't need to have a pending order for that. Guys, this is AGLD stuff. I think we're talking about this token. Look at this week that it created 2 days ago, right? If you were, maybe when it was pumping, it was on the gainers list, and then you were always looking to short. Okay. If you're always looking to short this token, guys, this will be taking you out like every now and then. It will be taking you out. But one good thing here is on the daily time frame, okay, you see, if you take your Fibonacci retracement tool from down there, okay, at that 50-cent level up to this high, okay, which is exactly where we rejected from. Let's do 3 days and see that clearly. Okay, so this token actually went up, all right, to that high there. It has been respecting this high since it was listed. Okay, that $1.20 something cent even got up to $1.40. Okay, $1.40. So we could say, oh, this is a resistance for us right here. Okay, so we could say that is a resistance that will be respecting. So what we are looking at for AGLD is for this to go back up again. All right, for this to go back up again. So even on the 3 days, if you take this thing there up there, we have this level here as our, what's it called? Our golden pocket level, okay? Anything at that 71 cent. Guys, if you are opportune to get this token, right? If you are opportune to get this token, either the short direction or the long direction, this could be another massive token, another massive stuff. Look at that, from $1.40, it dropped down to 80 cents. Okay, the previous time it dropped from that $1.40 down to around 44 cents. Okay, so I don't know, this 3-day candle is still pushing. Here we have yeah, we are at there. Okay, we do have a resistance. This is our previous support, so we want to see if that area can hold as a resistance. So if we keep going down, yeah, we just printed our green candle there on the 8 hours time frame. Guys, I think we should be looking for long from here. Okay, anything, if we break above this area of 80, that is anything from $82, you should be looking to take a long trade. All right. So, but here I do have that 73 down there. This is on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, I have the $73 down there. Let's take this on the 1 hour. Yeah, 200 moving average. We bounced there, right? We bounced here, went to that resistance, came back down, and then we are rejecting from there again. Okay, so I think we should be doing more of long. Let me see if I enter a long trade there. Let me see where my liquidation will be. I can add to my position if this token eventually come down here, right? But here it should be long for now. For AGLD, let's take a long trade. Maybe up to that 200 at 85, we can take profit there. At 85 cents, we could TP at 85 for this.
We're taking long on AGLD, sir.
Yes, AGLD take a long.
8041
yeah.
entry.
Just hold on. Let me get it correct. All right, let's do. Guys, just hold on this AGLD stuff, okay? Hold on first. Let's see how this reacts because it seems 15 minutes seems very bearish right now. 15 minutes seems very bearish right now. And then we'll have this area down there at 74. So wait for confirmation for AGLD first. Just wait for confirmation for this first. Just hold on the AGLD stuff. Let's see.
Okay, sir.
Yes, I'll send I'll pay attention to this. At the moment, said we are going to gradually build a position for this, but definitely AGLD is long. We'll be looking for long for AGLD, but let's just hold on and see how that will go. Bitcoin Cash, we're looking at 240, right? But it seems to be flying right now. What was the level we're looking at? $240 for long. Yeah, 240, but it seems to be flying at the moment. Another token I'll be looking at, this token gave me some money, okay? This move from, where was that? From around $8 or so, I think so. Yeah, it actually gave me some money, so we'll be looking to take a long trade for this too. I don't know how far this can go. UNFI. We'll pay attention to this token, guys. I'll be looking for a setup for this as well. BTC, yeah, we'll go to BTC. We'll look at BTC now. Look at BTC now.
Hello, sir.
Yes, go ahead. Then.
For about that 1,000 star L in, I think if you look at the 1-day candle, it had reached that as 0.06915. It had reached that place.
Is it this one? Yeah. Which token are you talking about? This one?
Yes, if you look at 1-day candle.
Have you entered the trade already?
Yeah, but I put my TP at that same place, 0.6915, and it already hit my take profit.
Okay. Yeah, I was not going to put TP on this actually. I think I was looking at this. I calling missed this. I was looking at taking a trade at where was exactly I was looking at 61, right? Look at that, guys. Weaving went down to, yeah, I think we're looking at this token around this area, but we missed that entry, guys. So this is Luxago at work right there. This is the Luxago indicator. So you see that we had a pullback here. So you see each time we have a pullback, okay, Luxago will create like this, other block for you and stuff like that. So we came back that area and went back up. So yeah, if it has hit your take profit, no problem. I think we need to wait for another entry. I still see this token going back up, guys. I still see this token going to 12 cents. Okay, I see this token going to 12 cents and all of that. So if we do get a pullback, this we could be entering a long for this. Yeah, we could be entering in long if we do get a pullback for that. So if you're out of the trade, let's wait for another entry to take a long trade for it. Okay. So for
Yes,
now,
sir.
let's.
The Luxalgo you talked about, is it the smart money concept
Yeah,
indicator?
yes, this smart money, this is the free version. The smart money concept is this one, which is the free version.
Wow,
Yeah.
interesting.
So you
This one
can
has
see the
seriously
way
pumped,
it's
bro.
creating those other blocks for you and all of that. So when the market comes here and stuff like that.
Was not yesterday we were checking this coin, it was at 0.02.
0 point, this is where we looked
Right.
at it yesterday. Yeah.
Yeah, yesterday, yes, that you were analyzing that I give the solution to
Damn.
check this coin
Exactly. This was
yesterday.
exactly where we're looking at that. I said, okay, don't show that this
If you are
could get
taking a
not
long, would
to
have done like 150,000%. That'll be 1,500%.
exactly. But we actually missed. Now that's one good thing that what we need to learn from this is whenever you see a token like this and you are looking at it, always pay attention to it. Because it was during the live section that I drew this. And what happened? We did not look at it again till we finished. But look at that. This broke this area, came back and retested the area, right? Went up again, came back and retested it again, and then it started going up. So if we have looked at this retest here and entered a trade here, because we're looking at this as a support, we rejected here and then we said, okay, as a resistance. Let's use it as support. So if we have entered a trade here and all of that, even if it is a 1 to 5 or whatever you're targeting, you would have hit that complete profit and all of that. But look at that. You just keep going,
Jesus.
okay, higher highs, and stuff like that. And then it's still pushing, right? It's still pushing and pushing. And then somebody say it has done 1,000% already. I say, well, I still see, if you look at this on a higher time frame, I still see more opportunity on this trade, guys. Look at that. Okay, we have this free flow here up there. Okay, we have this free flow here up there. And if you look at that token, over $185 million in the past 24 hours on bybit alone. Okay, that's the turnover for the past 24 hours, the trading volume over $185 million. So it means a lot of persons are paying attention to this. And what is this token about? Let's see. Okay, it is, what's the name again?
Hey, there was
Is this
someone.
Starlink?
Starlink. There was someone that was holding this protein. Another guy of us gave us this thing on me, but I didn't buy it, and he bought it with 10,000 just for holding. Imagine today how much he has. You don't want to know. Today he's holding about 420,000 for this thing.
Okay, this is Starlink. The 1,000 stuff is Starlink, right?
Starlink.
Guys, I have been, following up this token. There have been a lot of hypes around it as well. Okay,
Yeah.
guys, this token is still like 0.12345. Let me see if I can buy $10 worth of this token, even at the current price. I don't mind. So if you look at this, guys,
it's something worth holding.
It's not, yeah, it's
For
actually
holding. It's very good for holding. So I'll buy for $20 as well. It's very good for holding.
Beautiful.
So this token has been around for a while. The all-time low was, sometime 2 years ago. So though it has been down 95% from the all-time high, guys, which is still good, okay? If definitely, I don't know. So yeah, it has been down. The all-time high was sometime in November of 2021, which it actually canceled. How many zero? This is 1, 2, 3, 4. And currently we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it canceled 1 0 as at 20, and it has been down by 95%. So at this point in time, is actually a good thing. Let's look at the Binance chart for this. Binance Spot. I think let me just type the name of the token if we can get it on the spot market. Yes. Yeah. No. That's not it.
That's that one.
Is it the same 1,000 on the spot market? I can't really see. Well, let me look at Binance if it was. Yeah, Binance has more data for this. So let's see weekly. Binance has more data for this. Yeah, look at that. Okay, this is the all-time high as this is at 2021, right? November of 2021. Am I looking? Oh God, what's wrong with me? I'm looking at 1,000 or 10,000.
So I don't think it's listed on spot on bybit. I don't know if it's listed.
I'm trying to see the ticker for this on Binance.
It's on OKX.
STARL. Okay, it's not even on Binance, guys.
It's on OKX.
On
Yeah.
bybit, the spot.
Okay. You can buy it on OKX, you can buy it on Mexi on Spot, you can buy it on Gate.io, CoinEx, BitGet. Yeah, you can equally buy it on BitGet. I'll buy this on OKX, okay? Let's look at the OKX chart. It's not listed for Spot on Binance. Yeah, guys, look at that. So the all-time high as at 2021, yeah, was there. That is 4088. 4088. So you can imagine if this thing start going back up there. So with this plenty zero in front of it now, if you put in $100 into this token, you should be getting is this 6,106? Is that 16 million of this token or thereabout? Okay. So yeah, let me do a quick buy at the coin. Though it will drop, okay, maybe it could still pull back down, guys. All right. Looking at this on the weekly time frame. Yeah, we had that move last week up there. So we came back down. Let me do daily and see what's possible with this, guys.
It will pull back.
Massive move a few days ago and then right. Okay, so I'll buy and then I'll just, I don't know, I'll gradually DC into this token. Okay, so since you can trade it on bybit and on the OKX and the BitGet, you can either use any of those exchanges to buy. Okay, I do have OKX, I do have. So guys, this is one of the advantages of having multiple exchanges. Okay, some of you think when we say sign up here, sign up here. I know some persons who say if it is not Binance, they cannot, sign up at any other exchange and all of that. But it's actually good. Okay, it's good. If you have multiple exchanges, though the token is up already, I don't know if we can get like another leg down there before, but I think the best thing is just to DC into this token. Okay, the best thing is just to DC into the token and be buying, even if it is $10 for $5. If it does cancel 1-0, okay, if this token does cancel 1-0, let me just show you what's possible. Let's say we'll buy $10 worth of this.
So we can buy here on futures.
No, you cannot buy on futures. It's on spot market. You can. It's not available on bybit for spot yet.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So if you have OKX,
on OKX,
yeah, OKX or BitGet, any of those exchanges, you can buy there.
okay.
Yeah. So if you put in $10 at the current price right now, that's six, I think 6-7 or thereabout. If you put $10 at the current price, you should be getting 148,000 of those tokens, right? Is that 148,000? And then if they decide to cancel 1-0, okay, by going, that is 401. No, let's even do 408, guys. Okay, yeah, that's $100 plus, $100 plus. Okay, so the more the money you put in, the bigger the opportunity for this for you. What if he decides to cancel 2-0? That could be huge, guys. and all of that. So yeah, just DC into the token and gradually stuff like that. Just DC into the token if you want, and I'll just set limit orders for this. I don't know. What's this token? What's this project about too? So these things pay you once you have bigger capital in it. Okay. When there is a small move and all of that, you could, be in massive profit.
Yeah, if you have around $500 on it, wow. Oh, it's a wow for you.
Yeah.
One move, we are like on $1,600.
Exactly.
That's hey, volume. There's a point that we never checked here after you've done with this one. It's that called Alice. Hey, Alice.
I actually bought Alice at almost $1.80. And right now, I'm just regretting why I did.
Maybe you're in profit already.
No, Alice is less than $1 now. Alice is less than $1. I bought Alice beginning of this year. Alice is less than $1 now. Yeah, 80 something cent. But the token is waking up actually. I bought Alice. Let me check. Where was that? $180 was when? I think, yeah, somewhere around here. This was where I bought Alice. Okay, that's nice. I bought Alice somewhere around there, but if you look at the all-time high, this is sometime in 2021, right? Alice was around that $60-$70 level. Okay. So when I see things like this and I say, what if we get back to that level? That is exactly the question I keep asking. Okay. What if this, let's not even go to that $60, all right? This thing went up to as high as $60. I'm looking at the Binance chart to tell you how, stuff. Okay, let's even say you're looking at $28. Or let's even say we are looking at, this is as at 20, okay, all these ones are 2021. The highest in 2022 was when, okay, December 2021 was still $15. Okay, sometime in 2022, March of 2022 were $8 plus. So when I look at things like this, I say, oh, why not buy this token? So which is why I bought at that $1.80. I don't know that this thing will just drop and drop. Okay, I bought around here and boom, came down to this level. Okay. And right now we are just bouncing. So if you want to, Alice, I'm trying to look at this too. Guys, let me share my screen, okay, so that we'll do the search for this together. What is Alice all about? What is the token all about? Okay. Check. But sorry, I need to, before I forget, for the star stuff, okay? I wanted to set a limit order for that. So just give me a moment, guys, to do that.
You are setting a limit order for Starlink
at 60. Yes, at 60 cents. I want to buy at 60 cents.
Or here on futures?
No, on spot.
Oh, okay.
On spot. Yes, on spot.
60
on futures, I've not seen any entry yet. We'll wait for that because I don't want us to get liquidated. So wait for the futures on to come.
On 60 cents, what is your highest TP?
I'm just buying and holding. I'm not putting any TP on that.
Oh, you're just buying and then okay. No
yeah.
sense.
Okay, so OKX is saying the minimum I can buy for this is it 180 million or whatever they are saying here? So that should be around $20 plus, not OKX. It's by BitGet actually. BitGet is saying I must buy $20 worth of this. These guys are crazy, actually. Let me use OKX. OKX should not give me this headache, guys. Okay, guys. So this flow, hi-fi stuff, guys. Hi-fi is done. I'm closing my own trade right now. I'll look for another entry for hi-fi. It's not going to go as expected.
I closed mine a long time ago.
It's not going as expected. And then flow key to guys, the flow key didn't go as expected, so it went back up. It didn't trigger my order, it went back up. So we'll look for another token. Neo, I'm seeing Neo pumping up, okay? But before then, if you want to buy a list, it's at a good area to buy, guys. Just imagine that you buy a list right now at 80 cents, 83 cents, okay? And then it gets to $60. And then eventually it gets to $60. Guys, that could be massive, okay? But let's quickly look at the Alice project before we come back to Neo. Let me open that Neo stuff and see if we can. Yeah, Neo, one of the oldest token too. Since 2017, I heard about Neo. I think equally is like a Chinese token also. I think it's a Chinese project also. Guys, look at that wake up call on Neo, guys. Look at that. So the stuff just woke up. But Luxago is telling us that we could have a hold up here, right? At this area, 9.3. Okay, yeah, $9.3 level. Let's see if we can. We are creating equal high here. So this high is the same thing with this one here. And let's see if we can shoot up to this area, guys. Okay, 9.3 or $9.4 level we could be looking at, because already we have broken on the daily, right? We just broke above that 200-day moving average, okay? We just broke above the 200 moving average, guys. Normally, you see tokens that will pump like this, come to the 200 and then pull back. But this one, yesterday we were there, okay? Pull back a bit, and then today we are finally broken above that level. So I don't know. And I just saw it pop up here. So we could be looking at short, okay? We could be looking at short trade for these guys, but let's pay attention to that area there, guys. All right. So let's pay attention to that area there for this. Guys, the big time token is still going on very well. Big time is really big time token. Okay, so for Neo, pay attention to this. If we can get a quick scalp to the downside. Yeah, that's on the daily time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we're not seeing anything. 4 hours, 15 minutes, nothing. Okay, so for that token, nothing yet. Let's see Alice and see if it is something that is worth buying, guys.
There's no Alice. I don't see Alice on OKX on spot.
On spot, yes. That is one thing I don't like about OKX. They don't have a lot of tokens listed on their spot trade. Seriously.
Very true. Very true.
Is bybit.
So if you have BitGet, you can buy on BitGet. Buy on BitGet. I think you can equally get that on Bybit also. I can't really say. Let me check on Bybit.
Hey, but as I think Starlink will retrace back, eh? For that don't want to buy it. Don't want to buy green candles. Eh?
How come these people don't have much on this particular token? Why market cap doesn't have that? Or am I looking at a different coin? Alice, what's the logo?
Alice.
I think I'm looking at a different token, right? This one. The particular Alice we are talking about is this first one. This my neighbor Alice. Is that the name of the tool? No, no, no. Is it the same thing? Okay, yeah, it is. Yeah. Yes. So out of 100 million of this token, 59, that is close to 60 million is in circulation. Okay, so let's look at what Alice is all about. But if I scroll down here, guys, okay, I don't know where CoinMarketCap, we looked at that on Binance, right? And it shoot up to $60. So, but even at that, if it is up to $42 and you're buying right now, guys, it could be, okay, so the all-time low was 16 days ago, right? 16 days ago. So it's still at a good price level, all right? And this token is down from the all-time high by 98%. So let's even say this just rise up by 10% or thereabout and you're buying right now. It's equally still a good stuff, right? It's equally still a good stuff.
What exchanges do we have?
Okay, so for the analysts, you can trade, buy them on Binance, KuCoin. Yeah, BitGet. I don't know why BitGet is not here, but you can equally, okay, there are more exchanges.
If I would
Yeah.
book coin, I think
Gate.io, BitGet, and those are the exchanges where you can trade at least at the moment. Mexi equally has at least two, so you can buy them.
Let me put $10 on KuCoin. I think I do have something.
What is this stuff all about? It's like seriously, I just looked at the chart and said, well, if this can go back up that way, I just bought. I don't even know what the list of the thing is all about. Okay, so I will take a time and look at their white paper and stuff like that. But even at that, okay, if this token has a potential of going back to either $10, $20, guys, that could be massive, right? If you buy now and then it has I think it's a gaming platform also. It allows token holders to play and be part of the game, okay, and stuff like that. Okay, so these are what you can use the token for: purchase games, items, and then you can stake them for reward, okay, to earn rewards, and then you can buy, play, and earn for governance as well. Just taking stuff, change their roadmap and see. We have anything in 2020? Right, nothing.
We buy it at current market price, right?
Say again.
We buy it on current market price.
Yeah, you could buy at current market price. If not, you can set limit. It's still very good market at a very good price at the market price at 83 cents. Yeah, 83 cents. Yeah, it's still good.
Yes.
It's still less than $1. Because if this news of the Bitcoin stuff is true, actually, this thing could shoot up more, right? It could go up more. So yeah, if we get every indicator that is true, then we can, So
you just buy it. You do not set a stop loss or whatsoever.
You don't buy on fish also?
No, it's on spot. You just buy it. You just buy it and hold.
Yeah, just buy and hold.
Okay.
Okay, so guys, yeah, you can connect your wallet. Maybe when you connect your wallet, you should be able to either go through their games, play the games and stuff like that. Yeah, follow at least on their social media and see what's going on.
I just bought it here. You pay $15 at least.
This token has not gained attraction yet. Nobody's talking about it because if they have, you see a lot of views on their content and stuff like that. But I don't know. If they do their marketing very well, definitely to. But just imagine that you buy a list now, and then it goes to $10, $20, $30 and stuff like that. So
Imagine. Yes.
okay, guys. All right, that is it about that list. If you want to buy, yeah, go ahead and buy. And let's go back to the chart and see what we can be trading today, guys. Yeah, that stuff is still going up. Yeah, Neo, let's go back to that Neo stuff. Neo is still going up. Let's see. Let's pay attention to it and see where we can actually get a good. Guys, Neo is still pumping. Okay, so we are just at that. Yeah, look at that rejection, guys. That's exactly where we slightly went above that stuff, and then we just started rejecting there, guys.
Are we shorting news, sir?
No, don't short yet. I'm saying, don't short yet, please.
Okay, sir.
I don't know. Let me see the possibility of this token coming back down. Okay, let that be there first. Let's look at another. Let me just put it on the watch list so that we'll come back to it. I'm not sure yet. Maybe we'll just do quick scalping on this stuff. I don't know. ING. Let's look at ING, guys. ING.
It's worth to put something on that Starling. I'm just checking it.
Yeah, I bought the star stuff on okay since BitGet didn't allow me to.
Imagine if you can. I'm just saying for the God's sake, you are putting $200 ne? That is about
Yeah.
say 30 million tokens, and then that token goes to $1 or 50 cents or $1 because it can go to $1 after $1 times 30 million tokens. It's a lot of money. I don't want to. It's a lot of money. By $200.
Seriously. Yeah, if you do have spare money to risk for that, why not? If you do have spare money to risk, it's not this $10, $5 stuff, you know. If you have money and you're putting like risking like 100, 200, 500, or even up to $1,000 in some of these tokens, guys, definitely if it turns around, okay, that it cancels 1-0, that's huge for you. That's huge for you because the more the tokens, the more you know, the more
Look now,
guys.
It's going on. It's 71 now, eh?
Okay, it's still pumping, right?
Still pumping.
Yeah, guys, look at that. So look at that, guys. Okay, so for ING too, I think we should be, oh, guys, we already missed this pump. So let's look for entry for ING. I don't know. Already we are, okay, so for this stuff is telling us we could reject from here. So, I don't know. Okay, if this breaks above this area, this is 15 minutes, right? Yeah, rejected here multiple times. But for a long run, okay, I think we should take, maybe we'll target like $13, right? $13 for this. It won't be a crime. But wait for a pullback for ING, guys. Okay, maybe around this area also. Guys, this stuff is something else. If we pull back, you can take a trade. Let's see if we can target maybe around $13 plus. Yeah, it has cleared that. So we need to, what's happening with ING? Why is it so pumping so fast?
12448 entry.
Yeah. It is so fast. I don't know why this thing is moving so fast. Okay, let's see if it can come back to that our entry. We'll take a trade there if it does. Okay, if it does come back there, we can pick a trade there. So it's just moving too fast. It's moving too fast. All right, guys, BTC, I think I should be looking for a long on BTC. I don't know. Maybe I'll just set the long and leave it. Set it long for BTC with like 10x leverage. Let's do 34K. Let's do 34K for BTC. Let's do 34K for BTC long. Guys, this thing is coming back down. If it comes back there, we could take a long trade. Okay, let me set a limit order for INJ. I'm looking at 12.44. 12.448. Let's see. We can cash that. INJ enter long at 12.448. 12.448. And then stop loss. Where should we put our stop loss, guys? Maybe we'll put it slightly below this area, guys. Okay, below this area. Let's put it slightly below that area and then see. Okay, that should trigger already. INJ, sorry guys, I missed that already. It has refused to pick the trade. Yeah. It has refused to pick that trade. But just wait, okay? Let's see if it will pick the trade, guys. Ah, gosh. It didn't pick the
So
trade,
what's the stop
guys.
loss?
Stop loss is $12. 12, that is 12. It refused to pick the trade, guys.
Okay,
Want to do market
1202.90.
order? Yeah, if you want to do market order, you can do market order, guys.
Okay, sir.
Guys, this thing refused to pick our trade, which is bad.
So, sir, if you enter in market, what will be our stop loss?
What?
The ING, sir.
IMG.
Yeah.
Are you trading IMG?
No, I say if we enter in order, in market.
I will need to look at the IMG because I haven't mentioned anything IMG this morning.
No, this trade.
Yes, this particular one, if you enter right now, you'll be targeting anything $13 and above, okay? That's where the TP is. Anything $13 and above, target that area. That's what I'm looking at. $13 and above is the area I'm looking at for the.
Sir,
Yes.
if you can recall, I told you that 1,000 star LUSDT. I said
Okay.
it.
What's up with it?
Yeah, it hit my take profit, right?
Yes.
And I re-entered the trade again, and I still having 200% now.
But you want to kill this token, right?
Can you imagine?
You want to kill this token, right? Let me go. Where is the token? So let's see. Where's my chat?
What is that token, guys? Yes, that's 200%.
What is this?
What leverage are you using?
Yeah, what leverage are you using? Yeah, look at that, guys.
It was 16, sir. 16 leverage, 16.7.
15 point, yeah.
0.67.
Okay. Yeah, that's smart of you, right? Yeah, look at that. We consolidated, broke that structure, and then boom, it went up. So if you enter that trade again, so I think we're speaking when this token was trading around
60.
I was even waiting for this pullback, yeah, right?
Okay.
I didn't even pay
It was
attention to it, and
56
then
cents.
yeah. So from here, even when I wanted to, I think the one I bought on the spot was around 66.
Yeah,
So it was around 66. So this token is so guys, like I said, okay, that stuff can still push up to
wow.
that 12-cent level.
Sure.
Yeah, it can still push up to 12 cents. So guys, let's see. Should we be looking for another entry? You don't jump into it right now, because if you jump it, even with that 16x leverage, you will get taken out, guys. Everything is just, even the big time of a thing too. Just they're pushing it gradually too. Big time is equally pushing it, guys. Okay, SCI, somebody mentioned this token. SCI, let's see. Let me take out this indicator, guys. So for SCI, if you are looking at SCI, you should be looking to, for long trades. So let's see how far this can go.
Yo, this token more. Sorry, guys. So sorry, Gage. Sterling, yes, it's 112%. Damn.
Which one is that?
Sterling, the one he said that that guy said it's like it took him 200%.
Yeah. The token is still pushing very hard. If we break above that 75, we could still go back. We can still go up very strong. And if we break above that 75%. Yeah.
It went
So
all high 77. Phew. Imagine.
And don't look for short for this token, even though you get it. Okay, so for this token, for SEI, okay, we came rejected at that 10-cent level and then back. Right now we're at that 50% level using the Fibonacci retracement tool. So if we come back again to that 0.103102, it could equally be a good area to start looking to buy. Okay, 0.0102 could equally be a good area to start looking to buy, guys. Okay, guys, Floki later came back. I think Floki is dumping actually. I didn't close my limit order, guys, for the Floki token. And then it just got triggered. Okay, yeah, I didn't close my limit order for Floki and then got triggered. Guys, that stuff is dumping seriously.
So we can short it.
Not yet. Let's look at it first.
Okay.
So for this one is long stuff. So let's look at that flow key first before. Okay, for this one, we'll get a good pullback, then we can be looking for long. We do get a good pullback, we can be looking for long, too long. I've been saying that like with that number throughout today, and yet band. I thought we set a limit order for band, right? Did we? No, I don't think so. Not yet. Where's that flow key of a thing? I keep saying, let's look for entry, let's look for entry. It comes and then boom, it goes against us. Not even against us, it goes in our favor and all of that. So yeah, Floki just triggered my order. Shorts. No, I'm not sure of shorting this coin right now at the moment. I'm not sure of shorting. Yeah, if I've gotten it shorted at that 40-cent level, it would have been a good trade. So my order for long was what triggered, but I'll hold on to it and see how it plays out. Okay, Vincent, yeah, we'll look at the XOR token. Yeah, XOR, let's see. Guys, this is crazy. Okay, just extend stop loss and let's see how this will play out. But I still see this area down here, guys. I still see this area down here. I'll target that. Let's say we do 40. 40. As TP. Let's do 40 as our TP for that token. DYDI or something, DYDX, then reject. Okay. So he rejected at that 2.23. Okay, 2.23. So I will take a short here, guys. I will target this level of 2.2, 2.2, or even down there 2.28. Let me check 15 minutes first. Yeah. That's what I'm looking at for DYDX, guys. That's what I'm looking at for DYDX. And then this flow key of a thing, I think it should be going back. Yeah, we need it to get back up there. So let's see how that will play out. NEO, almost $9. Yeah, I think we started rejecting at that area. Let's see that higher time frame again. Guys, I think we should risk it on NEO, okay? Let's risk it. $9. Let's look for a short at $9 for NEO. Let's see how that will work. $9 for short on NEO. And you short NEO, just do 10, 20% move, okay? 10, 20% move on the 10, 20% move, because this could still shoot up to, we're looking at that $9.5, $9.5, $9.6 level, okay? So anything you're doing here is just a quick shot to the downside and stuff like that. Quick shot to the downside and stuff like that. So let me look at this indicator again. Yeah, we don't enter trade yet. Just hold on, guys. This thing could shorting NEO will be suicide mission. You see my trend indicator, everything is bullish, right? All the time frames are, we are very bullish on all the time frames on all of my indicator, guys. Guys, the ING stuff is not going as expected, actually. Let me go back. So hold on NEO, except you want to enter long. ING is not going as expected. Look at that massive rejection. I'll close this trade. Eight minutes. Let's see if I have minutes. Okay. Let me see if that 12.1 doesn't hold, then I'll close this trade. ING, that's good work. And it's kind of close. Let me see what, oh guys. This token is something else. So seriously. So we just had that quick pump, and then back, we are back down. Um, Guys, I think this stuff will not go in our favor, seriously. Let me see. I think I'll be done with this token right here. So I'll be monitoring this. Let me check the hourly time frame. So we'll have like 45, 40, if almost 50 minutes left, okay, for this candle to close. So yeah, and then I see that level there. So this could be coming back to that level. Definitely this area is this area will not broken above, is a very strong area too. Right. They rejected there. Maybe at 11.6 could be a good area to be entering a trade for ING. But I saw a lot of volume on this, okay? Saw a lot of volume on this candle, which is why I decided to sell. This could actually break this level. So currently I have Floki and then this ING stuff running. Floki is just around the entry, close to the entry. But let's see what happens, okay? Let's see what happens with this. Let me see that. If this area here doesn't hold, then there is no need to be in that trade any longer.
So I see auction, they pump like this.
Which one?
Auction.
Auction. Loom 2 is doing well. What that token on my watch list? I don't know why I can't see it. Okay, that is AUCTION USDT. How come, why is ING? This is exactly what I was looking at ING, break above that area, go up like that. Then this is the token that is, yeah, exactly, guys. Look at that stuff I was saying. Okay, well, on the 1 hour time frame, you see this bullish divergence stuff. Okay, that is exactly what you are seeing playing out, right? When you see a signal like this, you start looking at even at that. Okay, we've been bullish since yesterday also. and all of that. So if you see stuff like this, it's a good move to take a trade. So for the auction, what's the level we are looking at, guys? Should we take long now, guys? Should we enter with market order? This stuff is still. Should we enter long with market order on this? We could reject at that area. There's 7.5.
I think it's still pumping
It's still pumping to
to enter.
to 8.5. I think so.
Yeah, it has on the 12 hours. You see that I've broken a structure here, so this could continue to pump, but now if you jump into this with market order, we may not survive it. Okay, let's see. Yeah, INJ is coming back to our entry. Let's see if this will pay us. If we get to that level of 12.9, okay, guys, you just secure your profit. If you want to still hold on, make sure you move stop to entry. If INJ comes to 12.9, let's see if we can make some profit on that.
Yo, we missed this Starling. Yo, it's pumping like nobody's business. No, we can continue with this one, eh? Sure. The way it's pumping,
yeah, 70 guys. Seriously, 78 cents is something else, guys.
The what?
Something else. Are you sure I'm not going to risk this thing? Because this could get to 12 cents. I'll be here saying, is this, is that, until it gets to 12 cents. Seriously. Yeah. I could be here saying that
I wanted to risk as well.
It was here we were playing. Who was that? Was it Michael or?
Yes.
That entered again and made 200% or so. Who was it?
Yes, I wanted to risk.
We are saying let's wait for entry.
It was Bawali.
Then the stock will continue to.
It is me, sir. I even have 300% now, sir.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine? So I will be saying let's wait for entry. Guys. Let's wait for entry.
I'm
and then the stock will continue to
it's pumping. We are it's already we are gone. It's gone. Yo. It's 81%, 82. Damn, guys. Yes.
Okay.
I guess
now when you jump into the stock now, you just take you out of the market. That's my fear.
But it's too risky when you are doing like this, chasing current candles, yo. Yo, this token, Aibo.
Please, you missed this stuff, you missed it. So let's just let it be, okay? Because it could be at that point where you enter that the thing will start dumping and then you'll be like, it not just dumping as per se, but
exactly
just like 1% move on this market could take you out of the market immediately.
Exactly.
Yeah, because of the speed at which it's moving at. So here,
I'm so afraid I can't.
Yeah, on the 1 hour, you see that we are printing that very stuff. Still 4 hours, still free flow. Guys, 4 hours is just building up. 4 hours just building up. So
So please, that chart, the VMC cipher B chart you're saying, it's the graph under, right? Is that blue graph under?
yes, this one.
Yeah, okay, that's the VMC side.
This is the indicator, yes.
But why am I not seeing it on my trading view?
Have you added it?
Yes.
If you have added it, it
What
should be there.
what's the full name? I think it's
It's Vumanshu. It's Vumanshu.
okay, Cypher B
VUMA. Yes, Cypher B, yes.
divergence.
Exactly.
Okay. The first Vumanchu, I think I'm seeing about 2 or 3 Vumanchus here.
No, use the Cypher what's it called? B also.
Okay. Okay.
Guys, let me do like $5 in this stuff.
On Starlink.
Yes.
Oh, okay. No, you want to add spot?
No, I'm doing features.
On the current
Okay.
market.
Yes.
Let's go risk it.
Let me do $5. If it goes in my favor, I will continue to hold, but if not, if it goes against me, I don't mind. Let it lose.
No wahala. We are behind you, boss. You fly, we fly together. You ditch, we ditch together.
Exactly.
Market order, right?
You can do that 82 point. I think it's where's my entry? 82 something or so.
82.5.
I did 823. So if you get that, fine.
Okay, sir. 823. Let's go 5. 10 minutes. It's running fast. 82. Stop loss, sir.
I don't have stop loss yet, though.
I don't have stop
I'm not
loss
sure.
as well.
I'm not sure where the stop loss would be,
I
guys.
don't know if you
So,
can look through ARK, sir, if you are done with this one.
okay. Right. What's wrong with this network? It says ARK.
Yes, sir.
6.
This one just started this on. ARK, let's see. Okay, so ARK, if you want to log into those other blogs, then we can do that. Okay, if you want to just yeah, we could take a long on ARK because let me see where this is 1 hour, right? Let's see. Yeah, pullback. Yeah, 50%. So we can, and then we're at that 382. Let's see. If we can get this token at that 49 cent, it could be a good area to long. Guys, this thing is coming back. Okay. See what I'm saying? You long, it comes back, it goes up, it comes back, it goes up, and stuff like that. So it keeps coming back and down.
Which one is that?
the styling of it thing.
I'm on minus as well.
Exactly. So
Arc, you said
mine is still
37.
up because mine is 238. 238. Yeah. So something else.
My entry price is 83.
Oh.
So you said arc 37. We should go in 37.
Yeah, if we can get down to this area here, 49, right? Yeah. That is 495 down to 495 down to 49 itself. It could be it could be a good area to take it a long trade. But the way it is now, the 50% seems to be very strong because we rejected just slightly below it, we rejected again and stuff like that. So okay, guys, I think I'm having network issue in my area, so I cannot even see what my trade is doing because
It's
the browser keep loading and loading and loading and loading. So
on 20%. I'm canceling the trade. I can't hold more than 20%.
hold on, are you plus? Okay, minus 20%, right?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
What leverage are you using?
US 10.
Yeah, it should be. Should be.
Your
I don't know. Is isolated, so liquidation is calling me. Liquidation is calling me. Guys, please get out of this trade. Get out of this trade, guys. This thing is so annoying. Okay, this token, right? We could enter a long trade.
Minus yo, it child made this done not yet.
Get out of
We should
that
get out
trade.
of Starlink, right?
Yes. Are you? If it has not hit your liquidation, it's better you get out before it gets liquidated.
No.
So leave it for those who entered long time ago. They can enjoy their trade. Okay, let's leave that stuff. There's no need. What we are doing now is just FOMOing into this token. Okay, there's no need to FOMO right now. You FOMO, you lose your money.
Exactly.
You FOMO, you lose your money. So I still see this could go back. Okay, this could go up from here because even on the 15 minutes, you see that this candle here is very heavy. In the next 2 minutes, this will close, and then it seems we are closing above that 382, guys. Okay, since we are closing above, I would have wanted this to come to exactly this area here. Let's watch this token. Let's watch this token if we can get a pullback, guys. But
let's watch it because I need my money. Oh, look, it's coming back. I bought this token.
I will just buy this token. I will just be DCing into this token on the spot market. Okay, there's no need of rushing into that. There's no need of rushing into that. I don't know why everything is hanging from my end. Everything is just hanging and hanging. Okay, still waiting for INJ too. INJ is still running in losses. So yeah. We can risk it on this. Okay, so look for entry. Let's wait for the close of this candle, guys. Let's wait for the close of this candle. We could be taking entry to, yeah, this is 5 minutes time frame. So let's wait for the close of this candle, guys. Let's wait for the close of this candle and see where we can take our entry to.
Okay.
Yeah,
targeting.
Guys, this thing has gone from 78, it has gone back again. Let's leave this. I will take this token out of my eye so that I will not be looking at it. So
is better.
Because the more I keep looking at it, the more I get tempted to enter. Or
it's so annoying.
Oh my goodness, Lord!
We missed it already. We missed it, so there's no need.
Yeah.
Now we are doing FOMO now.
Yeah, Vincent wants us to buy. So okay, while we wait for this, this will close in the next 47 seconds. Let's see. I think we should buy this token. Okay, we should long. let's see what we can do on this. You can use a small position. I don't know if it will get down there, but use small position. Let's target that area there, and then put stop loss just below that fair value gap there. Below that fair
52
value gap,
to
guys.
okay, 52,255, 251.
Yeah, the entry, yes, 5252.
We said we do not,
52251.
we said
5225.
we do not enter auction.
But I don't think we'll be able to get that entry because of the way this, except if this, I don't think we'll be able, except we'll do market order, guys. Except we'll do market order. This, I doubt if it will come back to that entry. Okay, let's see. Yeah. 52251. Let's see if we can get
Guys,
a rejection there.
I'm
52251.
I'm taking auction. Sorry, I'm taking auction. It's going up.
Auction, where is that stuff? I think I opened it somewhere. Where is the auction?
My limit order will be 721.
You're taking this trade?
Yes.
You're entering where? Where is your entry?
721. That is my entry.
I think you should wait for this to come back to that 382. On the 1 hour, I'm looking at this on the 1 hour. Why not wait for it to come back to that 382? That is almost 7.01.
701, eh?
Yeah, let's see if we can hold the 382 can hold. Yeah,
Okay.
that will be on the 1 hour time frame. I don't know if it comes back there, it could be a good area to,
Okay.
So if we do come to the 382, even 50% levels, okay, $6.8 level could be good. So let's wait for this to come. But yeah, we could get a quick scalp at that 382. Maybe we'll enter here, target like 10%. You see that it's still coming back there. So if we can get it there, it could be a good stuff. Then this one is already triggered. Let's see if we can hold.
Yes.
Let's see if we can, reject at this fair value gap and start going back up. If it goes up, then we are targeting that 53, that's 539. 539 as TP. And this one, can we get it down there if we can?
5399, sir.
53919, yeah. 53919. For this, we'll go, let's do lower 5 minutes and see let's wait and see what we can get from these guys.
So that's like say 30% on 10x.
20, if you get 30%, 30% on 10x. That is if it gets up to that level. But let's see first. Let's see. Let me do 3 minutes and see. Yeah, we still have that fair value gap even on the 3 minutes chart. So let's see how that will work. INJ should shoot up. If we get INJ at if it comes to 12.8, okay, you can close the trade or even move stop to entry and then allow it to run. If INJ gets to 12.8, if you're still holding on to the trade, let's see how that will work, guys. And then this one, we are on the 5 minutes. So we just tested that 382. If you did put a limit order here, okay, if you did put a limit order here, that should have triggered already. If you put a limit order here, that should have triggered, but I'm still waiting for the close of that candle. I need to see that 382 do reject. Even on the 3 minutes, yes, we're still rejecting at that 382, guys. I don't know. Yeah, guys, this could be a good entry for us for unction, okay? For unction, let's use that 382. And then the 50%, okay, maybe I'll add to my position if we get to that 50% level. I don't know yet, but let's wait for the close of that candle and see if we can reject from here. For unction, Nice. Browsers are issue for in okay, so while this is playing out, let's see Zo. Vincent is talking about Zo. He said we should buy that. It's to make future millionaires. I don't know what the token is all about, but let me see. Okay, it's only available on spot. Okay, you can be traded. No. So you can buy it on gate.io or BitGet. So these are where you have those tokens. Go, Kai. This is today.
What is the liquidity?
This is today. So from around 0.0022, it went up to 0.0031. You look at all this week. Okay, thank God it's on the spot market. You can go and buy and look at all this. Let's even look at the daily time frame and see. This stuff has dumped seriously. What is it talking about? Vincent. What's it talking about? You say it will create future millionaires. Let me see. Let me see my browser for this.
It's so.
Okay, guys, that flocky stuff is still going on well, actually.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
See what we have here.
I miss that flocky stuff, sir.
Vincent, can you confirm which of the ZO is this? I have is it Oracle ZO, and then I have the Sora. Okay, these two tokens are having the same ticker as XOR. Which of the ZO are you referring to? If you can confirm that for me, I will appreciate. Okay, which of this is the ZO we are looking at? The logo here is, let me see. I'm looking at this one. Let me see the logos. Okay, the Oracle stuff is red. None of this is the logo. Okay, yeah, I think it's the Sora. ZO is the Sora, or yeah, the Sora of a thing. It's still dumping, no? After I had that massive pump, there is still dumping actually. Now, today alone is now down by 9% plus. Okay, ZO has equally been around for a while. It's down by almost 100% plus. And then the all-time low was 3 days ago. 3 days ago. So this token was down 3 days ago. What exactly is this project about that will make future millionaires? I can't find their website here, guys. Okay, there is. I think it's, let me see, it's on blockchain, all right. Okay, let me share my screen. Let's look at it together. Okay. But before then, this token, yeah, this is going on well, guys. This is going on well. Move stop to entry for the A arrow stuff. Move stop to entry for A arrow key. Okay. Move stop to entry for that token, and then for unction, let's see how it goes. Okay, let's see how it goes, guys. We are back there.
Did you enter?
We are back there. Yeah. No. Okay, let me check. No. It has not triggered yet. It has not triggered. I think, yeah, it just got triggered now. It just got triggered now. It just got triggered now. Unfortunately, it's Okay, let's see if this area will hold. Okay, if it doesn't hold, I still see that 50% area. Guys, I think we should wait for this at the 50%. Okay, for unction. Yeah, that 50% area should be good for us. Yeah, this 382 will not hold. The 382 will not hold. So close. If this triggered already, okay, I'm out of this trade. I'm out of this trade for now. I would have just waited. This area down there would have even been good area. The 50%. Okay, close this trade for now. Let's see what happened. Okay. Close the unction trade. We'll monitor it and see what happened, guys. Move stop for this one to entry.
I haven't opened.
Move stop to entry in case it comes back down. You don't need to be in that trade again. But if it hits that 359 should be your TP. Or you can even secure some profit, even if it is 5%, okay? Even if it is 5% or thereabout, guys, even if it is 5% secure profit here, right? Even if it is 5%, I was thinking we'll eat into that, into this, what's it called? This fair value gap here, but unfortunately, the way it's dropping right now is, yeah, secure like 5% of your trade and then allow it to run. If it gets there, if it gets to that area, the TP fine. But if not, if it hits your stop loss, you know that you're out of that trade. Okay. And then this one, let's wait. This 382, I don't think it will hold. This 382, I don't think, except we are just deviating down and all of that. Okay. Auction, I don't think the 382 will hold. So let's see if 50% doesn't hold, then the golden level will be the area we're looking for. Okay, so for this trade, let's keep it aside first, and let's see how this one goes. Then for this ZO, okay, I don't know what the ZO is all about. Look at this stuff that came and took everybody out. It's still going back up. Now it's 85. Okay, so it's anyway. Let me go share my screen. Let's look at that ZO stuff. Okay, so ZO is down by over 100%, as I can see on my browser right here. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I just saw that this is a website. Okay. So what did they say they are doing is an on-chain governance system based around the ZO token that allow producers to make proposals for funding and all tokens holders makes decision how okay, so for the ZO thing, yes, go ahead.
What about hi-fi? Should we move stop loss to entry? Because it's up like 7% now on 10x.
I'm out of that trade though. Are you still holding?
Hi-fi. Yes.
Yes. Okay, move stop to entry. If it is already going in your favor, move stop to entry and allow it to run.
Okay, sir.
I'm out of that trade. Yes, I'm out of the high-fi stuff. Yeah. I'm just holding two trades right now. So move stop to entry and allow the remaining one to run. Then for this one, okay, I think BitGet is the only centralized exchange where you can trade this token. Okay, Gate.io equally has it. Yeah, Gate.io, BitGet, then CoinW. Those are where you can buy the token. So today loan is down by 18%. So you keep dropping. Maybe you can do this year into this. I don't know. Yeah, on the Ethereum network, looking at the supply, 332 million. I don't know. Yeah, maybe you can put in $5 in this, $10 in this. I don't know. So you can buy it on Gate.io. You can buy it on BitGet. And then they equally have this swapping of a thing. Those of you who understand how all this farming of a thing works, you can connect your wallet, buy the ZOR token. Let's look at their where is the staking of a thing. On their platform here, you can stake different tokens here to, This happened, when was this? This was this year, as at April this year, guys. Is this for this particular ZOR of a thing? Why am I seeing different prices? Let's do monthly. So, 7 days. Guys, if you want to buy that token, you can go ahead and buy, okay? If you want to buy, the ARK stuff doesn't. Okay, guys, for the Onshon, I think Onshon is holding on very strong at that 382. Onshon, we can do a quick scrap on Onshon, right? Maybe like 5-10% move, we're out. 5-10% move, we are. Look at Onshon right now. It's 382 is holding on well, right? The 382 stuff is holding on well for Onshon. Yeah, we just have that. We just deviated back and then came back up. So the 382 is holding on well for Onshon. So if you get Onshon up to 7.2, 7.3 could be a good area. So yeah, let me see Onshon.
Enter now.
Enter that trade. Yes.
With market order.
Yes. INJ2. Where is that INJ trade, guys? INJ is going on well. The Floki stuff, I'm looking at 40 to close that. If INJ does go well, you can hold on to it. If you want to close it, you can close Onshon.
So what's the stop loss for auction?
Okay. 6 point something or thereabout, but
Okay.
guys, you just enter the
Okay.
trade first before you
Okay.
start looking for stop loss actually. Because
Yes,
if you
I have.
don't trigger already, then it should be
Okay. Just below the big candle. The second big candle. 6697.
You mean the stop loss?
Yes.
6.697, yes, 6.697. But once this thing start moving, just move the stop loss immediately. If we hit this level of 7.2, okay, move the stop loss immediately to entry.
Okay, sir.
Okay. This one, I don't know. Still holding actually. Let's see how it goes.
Sorry.
I think we should be out of this trade, right? We should be out of this trade for now.
What?
Yes, guys, you should exit the ARK stuff for now, at least with just few percentage. Yeah, just exit the trade. Exit the trade before he goes back to entry. It's there already. Here's my phone. I think most of this trade, if we will actually make up our mind that even if he hits stop loss, we could actually gain a lot from it, right? Instead of this in and out of a thing. So I'm looking at that. I have it on BitGet, right? Yeah, I will buy on spot for Zo and see, Vincent is so bullish about this stuff that it will create future millionaires. Let me see. Okay, I'll buy Zo and see, even if it is $10 and stuff like that. You don't know where your breakthrough will come from, guys. Okay, you don't know where your breakthrough will come from. So just buy everything buyable. Okay, so our focus right now is on this, and then INJ2. So INJ is INJ USDT.
Sorry, Mr. Leonard, can I cancel this trade on market order, the one for auction and the set a limit order?
Auction.
Yes.
You want to cancel it?
Or can I leave it?
Yeah, is it against you or running in profit? Which one is it doing?
No, it's against me. Because I entered.
Certain limit order means that you want to wait for it to come back again before you re-enter the trade, if you are not in the trade already.
Oh,
Because
no, already. It's just that I entered on 73.
Okay, you entered 7.3.
Yes.
That was a bit, okay, you did market order.
Yes.
And then he gave you, yeah. Because if auction right now, where is that auction of the thing? Auction.
You are on auction as well, because now 73. 073, that was my entry.
Are you sure is it the same auction we are trading? Because
Yes.
mine is 7.0 something.
Mine is 7. Yes, mine is. I entered on 7.073. That was my entry.
Just let it run, okay? Don't close it. Just
Okay.
let it be.
Okay.
Yes, let it be. I was looking at something else. What was that, guys? Okay, guys, if you are still holding on to that flow key of a thing, it's not working. The flow key is down again by 10%. Yeah, I was going to the ING I had it set up, but where are you sure that is it? ING, I had it on this list. Let me see. ING. I had a setup on that, guys. Okay, yeah, this is the chart. Okay, what are it? Yeah, I said if we do get up here, let's see, okay, if this can go, let's see if we can get to 12.8 or even 12.6 or so. 12.6. Let's see if we can go to 12.6. If we get to 12.6, even at the moment, guys, you can still move stop to entry. You can still move stop to entry for ING. Okay. And allow it to run. You can move stop to entry for ING and allow it to run. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Yeah, flow key is not doing well, guys. The flow key of a thing. What is it again? 1,000. Yeah, I should close this trade. It's not really going against me right now, guys. Unction, move stop to entry. Move your stop to entry. Move stop to entry on unction. Move stop to entry on INJ2. It's better we break even than be looking at floating losses and all of that. Boy, token is something else, guys. It's not going as expected, guys. I don't know. Not going as expected at all. Okay, so why those ones are just make sure you secure your money and that's all. We'll look for now. One good thing with these things is depending on the leverage and the margin you're using, 10, 20% move and all of that should be, good to close the trade and all of that. No new entry for INJ yet, okay? There's no new entry for INJ yet. We're still working with the old entry. Okay, we're still working with the old entry. We want to see if this will continue to push up. But if not, we should be out of the trade. All right, guys. So let me see if I can buy the ZOR whatever. Well, BitGet is very funny exchange. I will tell you if you don't have up to $10, you cannot buy. They will even tell you the minimum you can buy in a particular token. Okay, all these trades are not going as expected, I think, except for the option stuff. Okay, guys, let me look at some long setup before we call it a day, because I'm getting exhausted right now. Let's look at some long setup and then we can call it a day, guys. All right, so why these ones are playing out, okay? One of the tokens I want us to look at is Gala. Let's look for long setup for Gala and see how that will play out, guys. Okay, so this is what I was looking at for Gala, but as you can see, we rejected at that 382, right?
Oh, this is Gala.
Yes, this is Gala.
So is it 15 minutes time frame or 5 minutes?
This is daily time frame. I'm on the daily time frame. I'm
Okay.
on the daily time frame.
Okay.
So I took my fib level from down here to that high where Gala went to before it rejected. This is where we started trading Gala yesterday and it rejected from there. So now I'm actually looking at key levels where Gala can reject it. But currently, where we are having a bounce is the 382, right? So Gala did have a bounce at that that's 1775 or thereabout, 175 or so. So that's where we had a bounce. But as always, I would have wanted this to come back down to my golden level, and that golden level will line up very well with the 50%, sorry, the 50 moving average, right? This is my 50 moving average. So this will just line up very well with that area. So if Gala does come back to that area, guys, now on the 4 hours time frame, you can see that we're just holding on very tight on that 382 level, right? So we rejected it before. Now again, we are having that rejection. So, but if we do come back down to that level, guys, okay, if we do come back down to that level, that could be a good area to start looking for a long trade. Okay. So anywhere around this area, guys, could be a good area to start looking for a long trade. And then you can target as high as that previous high, okay? Or even take it further, all right? So we'll just put it there where we went to initially. So that's basically what I'm looking at for Gala. If you want to set a limit order for that, okay, you can set that. But if we do break below this 382 level, guys, another level you should be looking at is a 50%, right? The 50% could equally be a good area to start looking at buying Gala, which should be around that 0.0164. Okay, 0.0164. It could be a good area, but right now I'm looking at this area here. So pay attention to Gala. This is what we'll be looking at to see how it plays out every day. We'll be looking at that and see how Gala will play out for us. Okay. And then the BSV stuff. I don't know if BSV will. Yeah, I don't know how far this BSV of a thing will go. Where's that BSV? Is this my trading BSV? This one, yeah. So guys, looking at my Fibonacci retracement to BSV is holding on very tight to that 50% level. And it is at that 50% level too that we have this resistance level, right? This previous resistance, but now serving as a support. Okay. So yeah, I'm looking at this deviating down. Okay. If we deviate down to, I'm looking at actually 40 cents, $40. All right. If BSV comes down to $40, I'll be looking to take a trade to the upside. So if BSV do come down to $40, guys, I'll be looking to take a trade to the upside on BSV. Okay. BSV, I'll be looking to take a trade to the upside. And yeah, for ARB, I told us already, I'm looking at $90. 90 cents, sorry. I'm looking at this 90 cents, but we are rejecting at that 382 level. Okay, but what I was looking at is I think 90 cents or so, or even if we get down to 0.87, okay, 0.875 could equally be a good area to take a long trade. But my golden level is down there to that 85, okay, 0.085 and all of that. So that's where my golden level is. You want to equally pay attention to those areas too for your long trade, okay, for your long trade. And for BTC, yeah, BTC still holding on to, you know, that $34,000 level. Yeah, we're still holding on to that. So assuming we set that limit order at that 34 that we're looking at, or even 33,900, then would have been in this trade already. Okay, but we did not. So BTC would have given us a trade already. Yeah, we came back down. So be looking at this area here too, guys. 33.88, okay, 33.800, 33.890, all of those areas are good area to be taking a trade. And I told us, let's just confirm what's going to happen, okay? If an announcement is made publicly about the ETF stuff of a thing, yeah, then we could be. Sorry, you are saying something?
Yes, I'm saying we are long. I'm just waiting for the ETF stuff. Eh? So like, I'll let you know even on your Telegram. I'll just let you know.
Okay. All right. All right. So I'll be looking out for that. All right. Yeah,
So,
Michael, sorry, go and charge your battery before you come back. Okay. Before you come back, we would have closed already. So yeah, make sure you charge your battery also. Yeah, guys. Okay. Keep your ears open on the platform. If we do get that, okay. If we do get that to be true, then we can start placing limit orders for long. All right. But this $34, 34,000 is equally a good area to be looking at for long as well.
yeah, but
All
if
right.
someone has enough margin, I think he can place a limit order for 33,000, 33,400, and then for two taking well long, at least 40,000. I do not know, but I will confirm it.
Yeah, it's all right. We should have token again for Link. I don't know. Link, we should be looking at, if Link gets down to 10.5, 10.4, you should equally be looking for long. Okay. I think we're looking at, this was the area. Okay. I was looking at entering a short trade for Link here, which eventually didn't play out and all of that. But we came back to this level, and then it seems we are rejecting at that level. So maybe you could be looking for a quick short, but just avoid these things. Let's see if we get a confirmation for that, and we'll be looking to long the market. We're looking to long the market.
Are you still,
and then
guys,
we should have to.
are you still guys on the ocean trade? Sorry.
Auction, no, I think I'm out of that. Yeah, I'm out of that trade because already I moved up to entry. So I am out with break even on that trade. My stop was at the entry, so I am out of that trade already. It's just this what's it called? This flow key of a thing. That is the only thing that is still eating my money right now. Flow key.
Yes.
Yeah. It's just, yeah. So before I end the trade, I would just, option could still go back up. I don't know, but we're out of that trade already. So yeah.
So can we set a limit order for this option?
No, don't set a limit. If you want to set a limit order, I should set a limit order at that $6.6 level. Okay. Anything 6.6, that's where you should be setting limit order at. Not any of these areas, I doubt. But set limit order at that 6.6.
Yes, 6.6, 10.
And then you can equally set TP, maybe 20, 30%, so that in case you are not there, once you hit either 20, 30%, you just hit your TP and you're out of the market as well.
Thank you.
Yeah, so for SEI, somebody asked of that SEI of a thing. There's a chart I'm using now. SEI, I think I had it on the chart. Okay, I did not. SEI USDT. Guys, if you get SEI weak down here again, okay, if we get it weak down there again, 0.102, it could be a good area to take trades. Then the last trade I'll be looking at, MAV. MAV, let me do daily and see, yeah. This is not working. So for MAV, if I can get MAV to even 20 cents, it will be a good thing, okay? No specific setup for this token right now, but if we get it to 20 cents, that could be a good entry to the upside. All right. So guys, this is where I'm leaving this. I'll keep looking at the market. If I get any good setup on any of these tokens, then we can go ahead. Okay. We can go ahead and okay. So we can go all of that. So for now, I think flow key, this thing is just nonsense token actually. Let me begin. Yeah, guys, this token is magical. Let me see Fibonacci up there, down here. Say, guys, we are at 382 level, right? Let me take it the other way around and see. Yeah, I'm there. Okay, so up to down will work. Okay, so from here, if we take our Fibonacci retracement to down there, guys, if you want to do a quick scalp on this token, okay, yeah, 382. We are, let's see if we hold that level. Let me see 1 hour. Let's see if we hold that level. But if this candle closes above that level, then there's no need of staying in that trade. 50% could be that $9. Okay, that is 10 cents. Okay, 0.1. 0.1 could be, yeah, just like we had here, something like this. So we could be rejecting a bit, even if it has to continue. Okay, And then another area you could be looking for short and all of that could be at that 7862 and all of that. So let's see how it goes. Okay. Let's see how this will go, guys. I think I'm done for today, guys. I'm done for today here. Yeah.
Yeah. So you let us know if there's you've checked the market, but you saw any setups.
Yes, I will. Once after my break, I will keep looking and stuff like that. So
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, thank you very much for this wonderful
session. All right. Thank you, everyone. Do have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.